Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure today, if you are tired of basically hitting stop losses or sitting at losses all the time, you're not able to catch any maybe whale movements, liquidity zones, liquidity grabs, whatever we are talking about. If this is what your condition is currently, then you're at the right place. So today's session, we're going to uncover all the scenarios about, how not to, be a victim of stop losses, how not to be carried away by basically the liquidity grabs that we're talking about, or how to spot some whale movement so that we can get into either an entry along with them or not fall victim to the, the whales out there. So if this is your condition, then you are in the right session. So today's situation, I know a lot of us are basically either getting our stop losses hit, or either we are having issues where basically we're not able to identify whale movements, liquidity zones, liquidity grabs, and liquidity sweeps and whatnot. Like, these are very fundamental things when you enter into a trade. And if you know how to grab those opportunities on the chart, that's where the half game of trading is done. So today's session is all going to be about spotting where we can look for liquidity grabs, we can check for liquidity zones, we can check for whale movements, we can check for so many other things where we have the opportunity. So uh, trading is just not about probability game, which I always tell you. It's also a more to do with a bit of chart analysis, where our opportunity is lying. Sometimes we do put indicators, and life becomes very easy when we are using indicators and trading in the direction of where the price is looking. Like, we follow the price actions and things like that. But apart from just not looking at the indicators, there are so many other things also which we kind of at times miss out, and that's where we have to look for opportunities. So I will show you throughout the session, but you have to be like really patient. Trust me, guys. You are going to learn all of these things, and you will learn about how not to get into losses, or how to avoid stop losses or things like that. But all you have to do is you have to tell me, and you have to commit to me that you are going to stay throughout the session, or at least like you're going to stay for some time, so that you learn about it. Because you're not going to learn anything just within 5-10 minutes. That's not going to happen, because For me, even as a trader myself, I am a trader myself. A lot of you might not know my background. My name is Nida Afreen, and I'm associated with Zbit channel past 1 year. And I am myself a crypto trader, and there are days and days out where kind of sometimes I myself get very confused as to where it is heading. And it's not just my story, it's everybody's story. I'm sure each one of you, including me, we face the same kind of issues on a day-to-day basis. And here today, after gaining good amounts of knowledge, experience in by trading and learning and researching and doing whatnot, I have also, developed my own ways of doing things. So I'm also going to share that with you guys in terms of where you can, look for opportunities, where you can avoid certain things, how you can capture certain movements that you need. If you are a swing trader, what you need to look at, there's so many things that we need to look into. So I will share all that with you because see, let me tell you, you might be following a lot of gurus, you might be following a lot of people out there in the market, but what's really amazing or weird thing about this particular industry is the more you kind of talk to different people, or the more you're going to take advices or follow different people, everybody is going to have their own way of doing things and their techniques and things like that. So what I may teach you, or what I may share with you guys, it's not going to resonate with someone else. They're going to have a different way of dealing with things, and there's so many things about trading. So like it's believed, when you are in a classroom, a teacher basically teaches like all the students, but the results ultimately are going to be different for all the users, like all the students out there, because everybody has a different perspective to understanding things. And then what usually happens is you take inputs from here, there, everywhere, and then you basically develop your own strategies. So in this session also, what I recommend all you guys, or what I personally ask you guys is, you can take the inputs from this session, but ultimately if you want to go do your own research and apply some of the things which I kind of learned it over a period of time, apply it and see where it stands for you guys. So be patient. I want you guys, whoever is joining the session, to send me a hi when you join, and say drop in the comment that you're ready with me to basically trade and to basically make some money. So together, let's take this pledge, let's take this oath that we are going to go on this journey where we are trying to avoid as much loss as possible. See guys, loss is inevitable. There's not if somebody is telling you every day of your life you're going to make profits, that's a true lie. Trust me, I'm a trader myself, and I'm telling you this all out of my experience, because markets will test your patience, test your discipline and everything. And it's not going to be like you are going to get profits every day of your life. So if someone's telling you no, you're going to get profits every day, that's a lie. So don't believe all of that. I myself face losses, but what really matters is after how many losses are you able to take some successful trades, and if you take a loss, how much are you able to recover? Loss, okay. If my loss percentage is like 5%, but am I able to get a return of at least 10% or 15% or 20%, whatever I'm keeping the target? That's where a true trader stands. It's not about how many successful number of trades you take. It's about what kind of trades you take, which makes you stand out even after losses, where you are standing with discipline and with the commitment and with the strategies that you have in mind. That's what we are looking at. And in these sessions we're going to talk about all of this, just based on my true experience, as well as the information that I gather from different resources, all the reliable resources possible, so that I can give you all the possible scenarios altogether. Guys, I will be coming back to each of these things which I spoke about in the starting of the session: the liquidity zones, liquidity grabs, liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, order blocks, and also I'm going to come back to supply demand zones and a lot more other topics that we're going to see, even the whale movements that we're talking about. And while we are doing this chart, while we're going through the chart analysis, or we're going to do the chart pattern or whatever, we are going to also see what we can spot on the charts and where we can find the options to kind of pick up a trading strategy out there. So can I get a thumbs up in the comments there saying that you guys are with me. Whoever joins, guys, I want to welcome each one of you. Some of you, if I'm not able to, sometimes the session goes offline and I'm not able to view the comments, and I sometimes reply very late or respond late. So can I ask you guys to be with me? Drop a ready comment in the comment section. Say you're ready with me, and also make sure your accounts are all funded. So if in case I am going to just give a buy or sell signal to the person who is going to be basically part of this session, going to stay with me. This session, the buy and sell signal, I'm not going to give it to everyone and anyone. Only those people who are going to promise me that they are going to deposit funds when I am live and start trading with me. That's the special thing that I'm going to do with you guys. So if you're ready with it, do let me know in the comments, and I will basically, when the trade setup is ready, we are going to have that thing coming in for you. So remember guys, every day is not going to be a day where we will have some perfect setups for some perfect entries and exits and things like that. So when I am looking at different parameters and I do find some kind of really good trades out there, I'm going to definitely give that. Now let's move on to what we were talking about. We were talking about about liquidity zones, about liquidity traps and grabs and whatnot. So um, as you can see on the chart, let's see where your liquidity zone for first of all, like I want to explain you what liquidity zone or liquidity grabs are. In our scenario, basically it does mean that where the traders are, wherever you see on the chart where there is good amount of like your previous swing low or swing high, where the stop losses might have got hit. Like suppose you see that there is a long wick forming there, the price is getting like rejected, or the previous swing high or low that has formed. That is where the liquidity is sitting. So we have to be able to spot that out, and we have to basically look in that direction to trade in such practicality. Now, I'm going to show you how to, how to spot that. Like, let me just, this is on a 4-hour chart, right? I'm on a 4 hours chart. I'm on a 4 hours chart and I'm on a 5 minutes. I will be putting myself on a 5 minutes chart here. All right. That's the bigger perspective of it. So depending on what kind of trading you're doing, guys, I want you to remember there are different types of trading that we talk about. So if you're trading on a swing, like you are a swing trader, then you should be looking at something called I mean, you can use basically all the time frames at every point in time. It's not like there is any kind of restriction on what you call it as like 1 minute, 2 minutes, nothing like that. It's just the only difference between using the different time frames is that you can monitor the performance of each of the cryptos out there in different zones and understand where it is heading. So short time perspective will give you some kind of clarity, as in where you're in shorter period right now, within few minutes, what we're talking about, where is the market standing there, and all of that. And if we are talking about bigger time frames, then we know past 4 hours, past 1 hour, past one day, whatever the decision, like whatever the price, wherever it is hovering around, it kind of gives you that kind of clarity. So I personally, honestly speaking, some traders they do say that okay, if you are this trader, like you're swing trader or you're a scalper, you should use this time frame, you should use that time frame. I'm not of that opinion. I believe in using all the time frames to basically monitor my overall performance, to see where it is heading, because what I might be able to see in shorter time frame, I might not be able to see in the bigger picture, and vice versa. So that's why I always recommend all you guys there that you have to basically use all the time frames at every different point in time, at least before taking a trade. Whenever you're planning your entry, you have to basically look into different time frames. so that it gives you clarity, like yes, this is where my market is standing, this is where my the price is standing, and that is how it is behaving and all of that. So today I'm going to show you some very beautiful and unique things. I think you might not be aware. Some of you are just starting out in this industry. Some of you might not even know what the leverages are, how you take a position, how you size your position, and things like that. So each and everything will be discussed. Don't worry, we are getting it from the scratch itself. So even if you have heard these terms for the first time, like some of the words might be coming as like, oh, what is this even? So it's okay. I'm going to explain you each and every concept there, and then show you on the charts also how you can actually identify all of them. Yesterday we did discuss few things about different aspects, like about I think we discussed about different types of orders. That's what we did. And if you haven't followed that, I want you guys to go refer to the stream of yesterday. I don't mind repeating it, but for if you want me to repeat it, put a hands up in the chat room. Tell me you want me to repeat it, and I will repeat it for you. No worries on that. But in case you want to go get a recap of what we did yesterday, please go and refer to the live replay, because replay is also available on the live on the application. So you don't need to worry about it. Offline आराम से बैठ के कॉफी पीते हुए, गार्डन में बैठे हुए, वॉकिंग करते हुए, कभी भी ऑफलाइन में भी आप वो वीडियोस जाकर देख सकते हो. So that's not a worry. But yes, if you want right now, because you guys are live and you want me to repeat it, put a hands up in the in the comment section, and you want me to talk about it, I can do that as well, no problem. Okay. But because I do want to cater to different topics on an ongoing basis, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि एक इंटरैक्टिव सेशन बना रहेगा, तो काफी मजा भी आएगा मुझे भी आप लोग से कुछ भी चीजें शेयर करते हुए. और फिर I'm going to be thinking that yes कि आप लोग मतलब फॉलो कर रहे हो कुछ चीजें, and you're trying to implement those things in your day-to-day trading, and that's like kind of working for you guys. Guys, your feedback does matter a lot to me, क्योंकि योर सक्सेस अल्टीमेटली इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक माई सक्सेस. अगर मैं जो भी बातें बोलती हूँ या सिखाती हूँ या बताती हूँ, आप लोग के लिए कुछ भी काम आ रहा है, तो प्लीज मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग फीडबैक शेयर करें दैट यस दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग वर्क फॉर अस, दिस थिंग वाज गुड, ये वाली हमने स्ट्रेटेजी अप्लाई की थी, ये वाला हमने मूव को पकड़ा था, हमने कैप्चर किया था. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू टेल मी ना, तो ये थोड़ा मेरे लिए भी अच्छा बनेगा. थोड़ा इंटरैक्टिव सेशन रखें यार प्लीज. आई थिंक आई एम नॉट मतलब मैं इतनी भी बुरी नहीं हूँ, या फिर मैं इतनी डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं हूँ बात करने के लिए. आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप दिस लाइक स्ट्रीम्स लाइक अ बाइलिंग्विस्टिक थिंग आल्सो, ताकि मेरे हिंदी यूजर्स को हिंदी में भी समझ में आए, और ऑल माय इंग्लिश यूजर्स कैन आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड इन इंग्लिश. ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट नो द अदर लैंग्वेजेस. If we have some other kind of users, I'm so sorry about it that I can't cater to those people. But English and Hindi, yes, of course, I can do it. So that's what I'm expecting you guys to. And please ये sessions को थोड़ा सा interactive रखें, ताकि हम लोग ना मतलब फन वे में थोड़ी ये जो बोरिंग सी टॉपिक्स है ना, इसको थोड़ी फन वे में अगर हम सीखेंगे और वो करेंगे ना, this life is going to become very very nice and good, मतलब जब थोड़ा बोरिंग तरीके से जाते हैं ना, फिर कोई भी चीज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता है. तो हंसते बोलते अगर उस चीजों को सीख लेते हैं ना, तो फिर वो बहुत आराम से तरीके से हम सीख लेते हैं. अरे यार, बाय द टाइम आई वाज स्पीकिंग टू यू गाइस, कितना अच्छा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हाथ से निकल गया. यहाँ पर कितनी अच्छी बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकती थी, और हमने यहाँ पर बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी खो दी नहीं. अभी रुको, मैं इसको अभी एनालिसिस में मैं जा नहीं रही हूँ. एनीवेज, मैं ना टॉपिक से भटकना नहीं चाहती हूँ. पहले हम लोग ना एक ओवरऑल पहले समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कहाँ से ये चीज किधर से शुरू होती है, पहले पहली स्टेप क्या होती है. ऑल दोस लाइक स्टेप बाय स्टेप्स जाएंगे. अगर मैं डायरेक्टली आपको चार्ट्स पे से एक्सप्लेन करना शुरू करूंगी, तो शायद आप लोग पूरा का पूरा भूल जाओगे, या फिर कंप्लीटली यू विल बी लॉस्ट इन दैट मैनर. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, मैंने ऑर्डर्स एक्सप्लेन किए हैं. माय डियर यूजर 715079, मेरी इतनी ही आपसे गुजारिश है, प्लीज अगर आपको मैंने जो कल वाले सेशन में रिपीट किए थे पॉइंट्स, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि वो मैं पॉइंट्स रिपीट करूं, तो कमेंट्स में लिख देना. अगर आप नहीं लिखोगे, दैट्स आल्सो ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं वो पॉइंट्स अभी के लिए शायद नहीं रिपीट करूंगी, क्योंकि आई वांट यू गाइस टू बेसिकली गो एंड रेफर इट। बट अगर क्योंकि आप चाहते हो तो मैं उसको रिपीट भी कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा काइंड ऑफ एक्ट्स लाइक अ बेसलाइन फॉर ऑल आर ट्रेडिंग थिंग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। तो अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं तो वो सब मैं भी रिपीट करूंगी। मैं I'm going to share my buy or sell signals only with those users जो मेरे साथ जुड़कर मुझसे बातें करेंगे, और basically they are going to have some interactive session with me. So if they are going to deposit funds, while so I have some conditions out here, guys. Remember, I'm going to share only my buy and sell signals with the people who are going to participate with me, which means they are going to have some interactive sessions with me. A. B. They are going to deposit funds while I am live. C. They're going to trade along with me. So these are the conditions that I am looking for. If you are going to do that, you can even stand the chance to win some free giveaways as part of this session, because every session, whoever is going to do this, follow these certain rules, that person is going to get some free signals. And they will also not just get free signals, but also some free signals in the Telegram community. So you all know have a Telegram community where there also I kind of share offline signals. So it's not just about when I'm live, I kind of share signals. I will share it offline also. So these things basically outside the organization, like outside the world, is like a paid course for a lot of people. Like people are charging thousands and ten thousands of money, rupees or dollars for this kind of things, which I'm doing it just like free of cost for you guys. So you should be basically very happy and privileged to think that you're getting some kind of guidance, like personally, in terms of helping you out in understanding your trade moves, and somebody is there to guide you at every step. So come on, tell me, guys, are you in with me? Send 53015. Hi, my dear. Hi, welcome to the stream. Are you with me, guys? Come on. Can I get some thumbs ups? Can I get some some support and love and all of that? So my condition is, if you want me to give you a Telegram signal, or you want me to give you a signal while we are live, I want you guys to meet this criteria. You have to interact with me. You have to share your trading strategies, or how you're trading, or are you in losses, are you in profits, what exactly is your portfolio like, where are you getting stuck. First you need to tell me a little background about you, because if I understand where you are falling short, I will relate it to myself. मतलब आपकी story मेरी story है, your pains are my pains, your struggles are my struggle, because I am also a trader myself. तो अगर आप लोग अपनी stories बताएंगे, कहाँ stuck हो रहे हैं, किधर गलत हो रहे हैं, all those things, and deposit funds while I am live. Okay, while I am live, I'm repeating once again, deposit funds while I'm live, and only then you get the chance to get a live signal from my side. मैं आप लोगों को पर्सनली, चाहे वो ऑफलाइन में हो या ऑनलाइन, जब मैं लाइव रहूंगी 4 to 8 PM के बीच में, अगर मुझे कोई परफेक्ट एंट्री सेटअप लगता है जहां पर से आपको प्रॉफिट होने के चांसेस 100% लग रहे हैं मुझे, तो मैं आपको जब ट्रेड दूंगी तो आप वो ट्रेड लेकर अपना whatever profit you're going to make, I'm of course not asking anything out of it, लेकिन आप अपना ट्रेड सक्सेसफुल ले सकते हैं. तो can we hear some people telling me yes, or can I hear some positivity, can I get some positive answers? Guys, मैं आप लोग को फोर्स तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन आप लोग को थोड़ा तो लव एंड सपोर्ट दिखाना पड़ेगा. और एज आई से, अगर आप लोग को कुछ भी किस्म का doubt, या you guys are having any kind of fear in mind, I would say कि don't put too much money. Like you can use little money जो मतलब आप afford कर सकते हैं. That is what I want you guys to use, and I don't want you guys to go overboard also. So that's okay. Like अगर you take a trade and you are able to make money, check it for yourself. Like I don't know, why are you not taking that? Guys from India, Indonesia, I don't know where. Let me see what else, who else is joining here. India, Indonesia, yes, India, Indonesia only I can see, not Nigeria and all. I think at the moment I don't have Nigerian people out here. Yes, so can I get some love, can I get some support? 753015. Tell me you guys are with me. Tell me that you want to deposit funds. Tell me that you need a live signal and I will give it to you. Okay, don't worry, we have everything for you guys. So देखो, why it's all about like it's all about support and that kind of a game, right? जहां पर आप मुझे support करोगे, मैं आपको support करूंगी, we will be together making some money and that is how it works. तो आप लोग अगर मैं live हूँ, I'm doing all my hard work, you are sitting and explaining you basic terms, terminologies, charts and giving you strategies out there कि यहाँ पे आप ऐसे अपना trade ले सकते हो, this is where you can take your trade and I give you all the calculations, everything possible I'm doing to kind of make your life easy. So in return all I'm asking is कि थोड़ा सा मुझे भी support करो ताकि आप लोग की support से I will be able to get some good मतलब आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन भी करूंगी जब मैं ट्रेड दूंगी. रिमेंबर गाइस, आई एम नॉट जस्ट गिविंग यू अ ब्लाइंड ट्रेड, आई गिव यू माय एक्सप्लेनेशंस आल्सो टू इट के वहां पर मैं क्यों ट्रेड आपको रेकमेंड कर रही हूँ. अगर मैं बाई के लिए आपको बोल रही हूँ तो क्यों बोल रही हूँ, अगर मैं आपको सेल के लिए बोल रही हूँ तो मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ, वो मैं सारे अपने वैलिड रीजंस दूंगी और फिर उसके बेसिस पर हम लोग अपना कैलकुलेशन बिठाएंगे. चलिए पहले क्विकली हम लोग ना कैसे लेवरेज पोजीशन सेट करते हैं वो जान लेते हैं, ठीक है ना. लेट्स क्विकली सी. अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को ये डाउट होगा, मैंने कल ऑर्डर्स तो एक्सप्लेन किए थे लेकिन लेवरेज पोजीशन कैसे सेट करते हैं, कैसे क्या करते हैं, वो एक बार हम लोग सब देखते हैं. ओके, मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश में बोथ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप माय सेशंस इन दैट. इफ एनीबडी हैज एनी इश्यूज with the language can always point out and say to me के हिंदी में बताओ या इंग्लिश में बताओ, I will do it no problem. तो अभी देखो जैसे कि अभी मेरे पास है $100, मैं लेवरेज कैसे लेना है आप लोग को बता रही हूँ गाइस. जस्ट फॉलो दिस. लेवरेज कैसे लेना है, जितना कम लेवरेज लोगे विल बी गुड फॉर यू, बट जितना लेवरेज ज्यादा लोगे उसमें रिस्क भी ज्यादा होता है एंड एट द सेम टाइम लेवरेज विल वाइप आउट योर profits very quickly and I will show you how. Okay, that is what we are trying to figure out today कि अगर मार्केट जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आज इथीरियम चल रहा है 2.61% पे इथीरियम चल रहा है, यानी 2-2.5% की मार्केट है और 2-2.5% की मार्केट में आप कैसे अपना प्रॉफिट सेट कर सकते हो विद द मार्जिन्स एंड दैट व्हाट एंड द लेवरेज दैट वी हैव एंड कितने पॉइंट्स पर आपका टारगेट हिट होने के प्रोबेबिलिटीज होते हैं और कितने पॉइंट्स पर आपका कंप्लीट पोजीशन वाइप आउट होने के चांसेस होते हैं. ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू सी. लेट्स आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल हियर. इमेजिनिंग के आप सबके पास सिर्फ $100 है. ओके, इमेजिनिंग के आपके जेब में सिर्फ $100 है जो आप अपना ट्रेड आपका फिक्स करना चाहते हो. $100 से बेसिकली आप ले रहे हो लेवरेज से कि 5x का आप लेवरेज ले रहे हो, यानी 5% आप अपना लेवरेज ले रहे हो. हाई माय डियर्स, 527136. हाई हाई 753015. What's that? I didn't get it. क्या ये? What did you send me actually? I can't see that. Is that a icon? I don't know what is it. Anyways, तो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग टुडे आई एम शोइंग यू गाइस के पहले लेवरेज कैसे लेना है, कैसे आपको अपना पोजीशन फिक्स करना है, कैसे अपनी साइजिंग करना है, कैसे आप अपने पोजीशन को होल्ड करके रख सकते हो फॉर एटलीस्ट 24 आवर्स एंड उसमें मार्जिन ऐड करने की आपको जरूरत है या नहीं है, आपके पास कितना मार्जिन लेफ्ट आउट होगा आफ्टर 24 आवर्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. सो बने रहे, डोंट गो एनीवेयर. आई डोंट वांट यू गाइस टू जस्ट डिसअपियर लाइक दिस. आप लोग को अक्सर आदत है ये, लाइक यू गाइस ज्वाइन and within 2 seconds you just disappear without even knowing the concept, without even understanding what we are trying to do here. Guys, एक मिनट के अंदर आप लोग ना ये सारी चीजें नहीं सीख पाओगे. So I want you guys to stay put for some time, like because it's going to take like little time for you to understand the concept, the calculations behind it and everything. So please don't rush because trading is a disciplined activity. Trading requires patience. Trading requires your patience a lot. So please stay here. And like I said, my lucky people, today I am going to there are some terms and conditions. If you deposit funds while I'm live and you interact with me telling me what your current position looks like or whether you're facing losses or where you are, You're going to tell me a little about your background, like how your trading journey is going on. I will give you the chance to get a buy and sell signal from my end only to the users who are going to deposit funds while I am live. Okay. I'm not going to give any free signals going forward, guys. I used to give free signals. Nobody is valuing that free signal. Like all you guys are taking it very easily, thinking that I'm just giving it for the heck of it. मैंने कल आपको एक स्ट्रेटेजी दी थी, उसके बेसिस पर भी आराम से अगर किसी ने भी उसको सीरियसली लिया होता तो कल की तारीख में $50-100 के प्रॉफिट पर दे वर सिटिंग, बट नोबडी टुक इट सीरियसली. So now my strategy has changed. I'm not giving any free signals to anybody. I will only give free signals to those people who are going to comply with the rules. And the rules are, you have to tell me a little of your background. First and foremost, terms and condition is you have to tell me a little of your background as to what level of expertise do you have in trading. And you have to tell me, like, do you trade regularly? Are you making any losses, or what exactly is your current position? And then second thing is you have to deposit funds while I'm live, and then I will be sharing live signals either online and offline. So comply with the rules and you are good to go. So basically this is how we go with the flow. I don't know what you're writing. 753015, my dear. I want you to. Are you writing in Chinese or what is it? मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ कसम से. I'm not understanding what it is. एक मिनट. Yeah, is this in Chinese? Am I? Let me try to. इसको मैं ट्रांसलेट करके देखती हूँ क्या बोल रहे हैं. Sorry, my dear, I'm not able to translate this. What exactly does this mean? 753015. You mind sending me something which is okay? Anyways, I'm going to continue. So can I get some deposits? Can I get some deposits? So guys, if you need any live signal from my side, you have to deposit. You have to deposit funds when I am live, not when I am offline, not when I am basically नॉट विथ यू गाइस दैट टाइम. नहीं, अभी 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 अगर अभी सिग्नल चाहिए तो अभी आपको डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा. यू कांट जस्ट स्टे हियर फॉर दैट रीजन. ओके, चलिए आई वाज शोइंग यू कि पहले पोजीशन कैसी ली जाती है. द पोजीशन इज टेकन लाइक दिस. So you have $100 and you are going to take a 5x of a leverage, which means your position size is going to be $500. I am repeating, $100, you have it in your pocket. You're taking a 5x leverage, which means you're taking a $500 position. Now the size of your position, matlab you had $100, but you're not taking position with $100. You're taking a position with $500. 5 times of $100 which you had is what you borrowed from the exchange platform. Now platform gave you 5 times of what you have in your pocket, and now you are able to take a position of $500. Now the question that comes here is basically when does a position get liquidated? Okay, when does a position liquidated and up to what level can you hold your position? I think this question is there in minds of a lot of people and will always be there. So I will make it very clear to you. When you're taking a $100 position with a 5x, so basically the margin that you have in your pocket is $100 and the position that you take is for $500. So which means up to basically 20% of the move that particular position is going to take, whether it's in upward direction or downward direction, doesn't matter. Now it totally depends. For example, you are taking a $100 position with a 5x in the current scenario, like Ethereum's price is going on at 3865. Okay, hypothetically, imagine, I'm not even looking at the charts, we are just talking about the numbers here. We will come back to the practicality side of it also. We will see that in real terms also. Don't worry, I'll cover that also for you. So first we are talking about how we are leveraging the position, how we are utilizing the capital we have with the least amount possible that is there in your pocket. and how you can use this to kind of enhance your margin levels, or use the current margin levels to hold your position. So 100 into 5x is the leverage you took, which means $500 position. So $500 position, in order to hold yourself either for a buy trade or a sell trade, you have 20% on and above basically your $100 to hold that position. This might be coming as little difficult. I'll show you with some numbers out here. For example, okay, for example, let's imagine in the current scenario, the Ethereum's price is going on at 3860. Okay, Ethereum's current price is going on at 3860, and you decide that you want to take a position, like you want to take a buy position in Ethereum at 3860. I'm not looking at other numbers now. I'm just imagining 3860 is my current buying price. Now I am speculating. I want the price of Ethereum to basically go, like, I can keep the target 1:2, whatever I want, but it's what really matters is what is my risk to reward ratio in the current scenario, what is the target I'm going to keep for the day, and also what is the margin that is going to hold my position. So when I have 100 into 5, which is $500 position, which means that current price 3860 is what I have. So I told you up to 20% is what you can hold, either in the upward direction or in the downward direction. So what is my current price? 3860, right? So how the leverage is going to hold it is, for example, we have to put this in the formula. 1 minus, we saw that it is 0.2. If I calculate that in decimal way, 20%, if I calculate in decimal way, it is going to be 0.2. So if I minus this, imagine that my whole position, like the overall position is for 1, and my 0.2 is what I am holding it on for. So I am left out with 0.8. So this particular thing, 0.8, is what I'm going to multiply with my current scenario, which is 3860. So my positive side, if I'm like planning a buy or a sell, I'm going to give you both the things. If you are basically looking for, if you are looking to short it, we are going to minus this from 1. But if you are planning to long it, in that sense that price should increase, then we should add this to 1. So 3860, that means that my position, if I'm shorting at 3860, is going to hold till 3088. Okay, is it coming as very confusing? I'll make it more simple. 5x is the leverage, right? So 5x is the leverage, means 5 times you're taking the leverage, means 20% is what you're able to hold the position. Up to 20 moves is what you're able to hold the position, which means 20 up to 20%. So now what is 20% of, whether it is going up or down, depending on what position you're taking, you're trying to do this calculation. So if you're planning a short position, whatever is the percentage, we calculated percentage, right? 20%. So you should minus that from 1, which will give you the liquidation position. 3088 is where it is going to get liquidated if you are taking a short position. But if I plan to take a long position, so my calculations will be 1 plus 0.2. Okay, so my denomination is 1.2. So this is where it is going to with my current price level 3860, the position is going to hold till 4632. Okay, so 4632 means 4632. So even if at current scenario where I told you that I'm taking a position at 3860, then I'm taking a long position, then my 5x leverage is going to hold my $100 position till this level, until opposite of it happens at 3088. Basically my complete trade is going to get wiped out, and if I want the long trade to continue, then my trade I can hold till 4632. If for example you want to hold this long trade till this level also, you can hold it because you kept this as target, but not necessary you need to hold this. You can always keep a 1:2 ratio and get out of the trade then and there itself. There's not a necessity that till your margins are holding your trade, you take the profit at that level. Doesn't make any sense. You can always take out your profit even prior to that, which means 1:2, 1:3 is achieved even before that. That is still possible. So why I'm telling you this, because see, 4632 minus 3860 is what you took the position. This is almost like $772 or 772 points move that we are talking about. So is this something which we want to hold? This is like too big, right? That's like something looking too big for us. I don't really, honestly speaking, for me as a day trader or something, I might even just exit it the moment like my 1:2 ratio or 1:3 ratio is hit. I would want to exit. But if you are like very greedy person, you want to set your targets till that level, you can do that. But it's not going to help in any ways because you're keeping too unrealistic or maybe too like ambitious targets out here. Now imagine the opposite of it. The lower side of it, what did I give you guys? I gave you 3088, right? So 3860 minus 3088. So it's like, again, it's the same thing. 772 points move is what we're talking about. So do you really want to keep your targets, which is 1:2 risk reward ratio that you're trying to keep, equivalent to your, the margin that you have in your account, or do you want to take your profits much earlier than that? That is my question to you. Sorry, my dear 753015, I'm not understanding your questions. Can you keep it in English, please? Hold on. 753015. This is for you, my dear. Because you're writing in Chinese, I'm not understanding what is it actually. So, guys, are these calculations clear for you guys, or is it coming as? All right. So, are these calculations like easier for you guys, or is it something difficult, or you want me to repeat it? I can do that as well. So what we're trying to understand here is how does a position liquidate at what level? I can this was on a 5x leverage that you're talking about. If you are either increasing your leverage or trying to decrease your leverage, I can still show you till what level is basically you're going to adjust your positions and how you're able to get onto your positions. Why we do these calculations is because when we know up to what level my position is going to hold, then basis the current scenario wherever we are currently, we will plan out a position accordingly. Okay, which means that today, currently in my current scenario, if I go to Ethereum's 24 hours chart, okay, I'm going to my Ethereum's 24-hour chart, and as of now, which is 4:47 p.m. in Dubai, which is as per the Gulf Standard Time, I can see that my 24-hour low is 3681 and my 24-hour high is 3883. Now on the coin market cap, it's a rolling 24-hour. It does not tell you as per UTC time, or that number is not a fixed time there. The time basically is a rolling 24-hour, which means currently uh, as per this current time, 4:47 p.m. as of 24 hours just behind. The low was 3681 and the high was 3883. So this is what it kind of points out. So every minute, every every minute, every 5 minutes, whatever it is, that number keeps updating. So you can't completely blindly go with that number. So that low and high keeps changing. But when we are trading, we kind of can get some insights like this was the low as of 24 hours from here. Just 24 hours exactly from here back, the low was 3681, the high was 3883. Now you know what your range is. Depending on that, you should fix your position. Now how do you do it? I'll tell you. So we calculated how much money we had in pocket, how much leverage we are taking. So up to what position is my current position going to hold, and up to what levels my position is going to liquidate. That all we have calculated. Now comes the very crucial point, which is 3681 minus, not 3681, sorry, let me take the high is 3883 as of now. Okay, it might vary again in next few minutes. This 3681 is what your low is. So 24 hours, within 24 hours, Ethereum was able to move $202, 202 points, or $202 was what it kind of moved. Okay. So if it is able to move $202, now you have seen how much margin do we have? We have margin for 772 points, which means can you tell me our target high, my dear? 464695 high, welcome. Can you see, do we have enough margin in our pockets to take that trade? The answer is yes or no. Come on, can I get some answers? High, yes or no? Come on, come on, come on. If you're following me past few minutes, can anybody give me an answer what I'm trying to say here? मैं फिर से आप लोग से I'm trying to ask you a question. Come on, in the poll or in the, it can be a wild guess. There's no hard and fast rule. And if you are that lucky winner, I might even give you a giveaway. चलो जल्दी जल्दी कोई जल्दी से जवाब दो कि जो मैंने सवाल किया अभी, मेरा सवाल फिर से सुनो. So you might stand the chance to win a free giveaway. हो सकता है कि you will be able to win some free giveaway. So the question is कि I had $100, I took a 5x leverage, and for my position, in order to liquidate in the opposite direction, whatever position I take, चाहे मैं buy लूं या मैं sell लूं, doesn't matter. My position, if in case I take a wrong speculation and I trade in the wrong direction, has the capacity to hold till 772 point movement. And in a day, okay, the question is, in a day, Ethereum past 24 hours is able to just move 202 points. Okay, and 772 is what I have it in my margin. So SMA, with that kind of a leverage position, do you think I can hold a trade or not? Or do you think it is practically not possible? Yeah, question is very simple. I don't know, you guys have to participate. थोड़ा तो वो दिखाएं यार, मतलब you can keep a wild guessing also. There's no hard and fast rule के इसमें आप गलत भी होता, that's okay, totally fine. I'm not saying कि you have to be 100% right or something. Can I get some answers? Come on. Can I get some answers? Is anybody participating and telling me or giving me some answers? Come on, guys. Give a wild guess. Will I be able to hold a position? The question was so simple, actually. It's a wild guess. I'm not going to pinpoint and say, yeah, you are a bad person, you don't know math, so you whatever. I'm not going to tell all of that. It's okay. So guess it. 29697. Come on, guess. Can I hold up? Okay, so just give me a yes or no at least. Give me a yes or no. I'm not saying कि उसका accurate answer ही दो, ठीक है? 570 का मैंने एक आपको यहाँ पर सरप्लस बताया है या डेफिसिट बताया है. ये सरप्लस है या डेफिसिट है? गैस गैस गैस. अरे गैसिंग के कुछ पैसे नहीं लेंगे यार. पैसे उल्टा तुमको हो सकता है कि might stand a chance to win free giveaway. सही आंसर देने पे शायद बेसिकली तुमको कुछ यू कैन स्टैंड अ चांस टू विन फ्री गिव अवे, बट नहीं गेस करने पे कोई नेगेटिव पेनाल्टी नहीं है भाई। क्यों इतना परेशान हो रहे हो, इतना क्यों डर रहे हो? आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू गाइस आर लाइक गेटिंग स्कैर्ड। Come on, guys, be a sport. When you join the sessions, I want you to be interactive. Come on, you have to be interactive, and at the same time, when I ask you certain questions, please feel like, you know, please answer to my questions. There's no negative marking in answering wrong answers, like giving wrong answers, but your positive answer can get you some you know, can get you some giveaways, can get you some free things coming your way maybe, and you can be that lucky winner. So why don't you try it? Is it that hard? User 180381, come on. Hi, welcome to the stream. Are you in with me? Give me a thumbs up. Oh my god, again this person has disappeared. What, guys? Is it so difficult? Okay. Anyways, you guys don't want to participate. I'm not understanding. That's completely your wish. So the point here is, what I was trying to explain is that with whatever current scenario, wherever we are trying to head towards, whether we are taking a long buy position or we are taking a short position, the kind of leverage you're going to set for yourself, that will define how much amount or how much you have it in your pocket to be able to hold that position, you know. तो जो हम leverage लेते हैं, that defines whether you can hold that position for coming like, you know, 24 hours or lesser than that, or if the market is moving like in very high direction, like it is moving in very क्या कहते हैं ना, अगर बहुत वॉलेटाइल है, जैसे कि आज तो खैर उतनी वॉलेटिलिटी नजर नहीं आ रही है। मैं देख रही हूँ कि इथेरियम करंटली 1.85% पे पहुंच गया है, तो ऐसे में तो मैं देख नहीं पा रही हूँ कि वॉलेटिलिटी इज देयर मच, बट इन केस there's like lot of volatility or something like that, then it might not be able to we might not be able to balance this. So can anyone answer me? I have 573617. Hi, my dear. 758458. And then there's Ukaroji35. Welcome. 658016. I asked a question a little while ago in the stream. I know you guys have missed out on some very important concept that we were discussing. So do you guys want to answer to my question? Do you want to be a sport? Because there's no negative marking. There's nothing that I'm going to take away from you if you give a wrong answer. But yes, you can be that lucky winner if you can, answer, and you can stand the chance to win some free giveaways. So क्या मुझे कोई सही जवाब दे सकता है? You can be that lucky winner. Tell me, can you give me a right answer? I asked a question about leverage versus the way a market is moving in current scenario. So with the current sizing of the position, like whatever calculations I showed, based on that, do you think in the next 24 hours, are we able to maintain our position? Are we able to hold the position or not? So whoever is going to answer this question of mine are going to be the lucky winners to get some free giveaways, but there's no negative marking for negative or wrong answers. That's okay. Come on, be a sport, guys. 573617. Do you want me to explain the concept once again so that you can answer me? 365104 for you also. I want to ask you. Okay, just now we were doing some calculations that how much money we have in the pockets. Okay, how much margin are we having in the pocket? How much leverage are we going to take? And based on that, what would be the size of the position? So if say my size of the position is like $500 with $100 in my pocket and 5x leverage, and what is up to what level is going, like, you know, my position is going to hold and not liquidate by itself if I take a wrong trade. Okay, that was my question to all you guys, and nobody is being sportive enough here. I don't know why. Guys, are you so bad with your numbers? Are you guys so bad with your maths and calculations? Like, why are you guys behaving like as if this is some kind of algebra, or I don't know what am I doing here? I'm doing simple mathematical addition deductions, or like, I'm doing some simple multiplication divisions out there. There's nothing like very big things. यहाँ पर मैं कुछ Pythagoras theorems या मैं basically I don't know, I'm not bringing all those things. Why are we even getting scared of it? Answer to me, come on. User 280881. Chinonos 957361. Come on, tell me. Will anybody answer? And guys, do you come on, share a thumbs up in the in the chat, and also say that you want a signal. And if you want a signal, you have to deposit funds right away. Trust me, you deposit fund today, right now, when I am live. And even while we are live and I'm not getting a proper setup to give you a signal, I will give you it offline also. It doesn't matter, but I will give you. And if you don't deposit funds while I'm live, and I'm not going to share any free signals, guys. मैं पहले ये streaming पर आकर बहुत सारे free signals दी हूँ, and I with my setups, if you guys would have followed in that particular movement also, you could have easily on the highest side also made $70-100. Go back to my few streams and check it, where I gave you a very successful setup. Still none of you has taken that seriously. Now I'm very strict in terms of giving any signals. I'm not going to give you signal just like that. You guys are not complying with the rules here. The rule is you deposit funds while I'm live. Get in touch with me whether when I'm live or not, or even if I'm offline, you can always get in touch with me on Telegram community. I'll make sure that I will give you live, like I will give you a signal after that. I'm not going to give a signal free of cost just like it, because people in the market, कितने सारे लोग हैं जो ये सारे courses के लिए they kind of charge like for the paid courses and things like that, and I'm giving you these free signals just like it, and you guys are not even utilizing it. Then there is nobody who's going to help you out. So if you want me to help you, go deposit funds right now, right away, and get in touch with me, either through Telegram community offline as well, or you can get in touch with me while we are doing live also. I'm anyways going to share it. And if you don't like, if I don't get a proper setup right now when I'm live, I will share this with you offline. Don't worry. I'm not going to miss out on anyone. Hello 947439. Hello dear. Are you getting my point, guys? This is how we do it. Okay, let's make it a deal. Come on, put a thumbs up. Let's make it a deal. The deal is you deposit funds while I am live. Get in touch with me even after the live is over. So I am live for 4 hours, 4 to 8 p.m. If while I'm live, I get a proper perfect signal, I will give you that. You will basically get that signal for sure. In case if while I'm live and I don't get any proper setup out there which can give you a proper entry and exit there, then I will share it offline with you. So don't worry, I'm not going to cheat on you, don't worry. But at the same time, I don't want you guys to cheat on me also. You have to be loyal to me in terms of first step, deposit funds while I'm live. Okay, second thing, get in touch with me through Telegram channel. Like while I'm live, take the signal. If I don't get a setup, trust me, I'll try my best to give you the signal in the during the live only. But if in case while I'm not live, and maybe even if I'm live, sometimes it happens that we might not get a perfect entry and exit, then I am available on the Telegram community. So what you can do is go to the Zbit app, which is here. Okay, and you get a chance to enter into the Zbit application, right? Like you get on the live here, and in this more option you have fans page, right? So this is where you basically can get in touch with me offline and discuss with me some kind of whatever, like if you want a signal, then you can get in touch with me. What do you want? Come on, tell me what you want. Do you want to get a signal? Yes, no, maybe, yes, no, maybe, come on, yes, no, maybe. Can we have some deposits, guys? Come on. Guys, trust me, this is not going to be this is not a fair way. You guys take all the inputs from my side, learn everything, but you don't support me in any ways. That's not how it's going to work. You have to support me, and if you want me to support you at the same time, you have to get in touch with me. You have to deposit funds. That's how it works. It's a two-way process. I just continuously give doesn't work like that. You also have to show some love, support, then only it works. Come on. Anybody out here? Anybody? क्या है भाई आप लोग क्या? You guys are coming for just don't you want to make some profits, guys? Do you not wish to make some profits? What do you want to do actually? What's happening here? Can I know what's happening here? Come on. Don't just send me highs and hellos. I want you guys to take some action as well. I want you guys to deposit funds when I am live to get the chance to win some free signals out here. Guys, remember, if you want some free signals, you have to do the hard work too. You have to basically comply with the rules. Nothing comes free of cost, so you have to tell me. All right, so none of you are answering to my question. What I imposed it in the chat. I think I don't know. I didn't even ask any difficult question out here. This was like so basic mathematics that we were doing, and none of you were able to even answer. None of you actually took even the initiative to give me a wrong answer. Also, at least that was still fine with me. But you guys didn't bother to do that. But this was a very simple mathematical question, and so the point here was that we were trying to take a leverage position with a 5x of the amount, and I told you that we have $100 in our pocket with a 5x as the leverage is what we took, and how much up to what level are we able to hold on to the position is what we were seeing. Okay, that is something that we talked about. Now, given that in 24 hours Ethereum was able to move about at least say $202, 202 points move, are we able to withhold this position for 24 hours or not? So the answer was yes, and none of you answered. You could have easily won some free gift, and you got the answer, and you could have got the answer just like it, but you guys didn't take the initiative to do it. But nevertheless, I will tell you the answer. The answer is 570 points are still with you, which means because your position is holding till 772 points. So even if the price is moving at 202 points, which is like almost say, I don't know, like let me just calculate how much would that be in percentage wise, percentage change calculator. Let me open my calculator here. $202 means that's about 3681, sorry, 3681. 3883. All right, calculate it. So it's like 5.4876% of a move it is. So 5.486% move means we have a leverage of 20% that we are aiming at. So we still have a lot of points, like around $500. Like what was the number? 570 points move is still with us. So even if, for example, market just moves about $202 also away from me, we still have a $570 or 570 points move with us, where we can either exit the position and still leverage it out. This is how we're trying to do. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to do? It's a simple mathematical calculation, not much of it, not a rocket science, not anything difficult out here. We're not discussing here algebra, we're not discussing Pythagoras theorems out here. This is very simple, like just addition, deductions, divisions, multiplication, that's all. So now, whatever amount we're left out with after the, when we take the leverage, in a day, when we are doing either day trading or we are doing swing trading, do you think you can still hold on to the position like up to basically 24 hours? The answer is yes, you're able to hold that position. So now, what else do we need? What else are we actually aiming for when we talk about markets not moving in our direction, this direction, that direction, or whatever it is? How difficult it is, tell me. Jay Prakash, you joined the session very late, my dear. Can you are you able to get what I'm trying to talk about here, or do you want me to repeat it once again? You can send me a message in the comment saying yes, you want me to repeat. I can do that, or you can always replay back the thing and then do it yourself. So Jayaprakash, in case you want me to send you a buy or sell signal, whether it is while I'm live or whether it is offline, you basically have to comply with some rules. The rules are you have to deposit funds while I'm live, and then get in touch with me either live, send me a comment there that yes, you deposited funds, and then I will share the signal. Whether if I get a perfect setup during the live itself, I will share the signal. Otherwise, I'm going to share it offline too. So don't worry, we have our Telegram community out there, which basically in that I will share you the signal. That's not a problem. So tell me, are you with me in this? Are you going to deposit funds right now when I'm live? And do you want to buy and sell signal? You can let me know. You can stand the chance to, get in touch with me directly and get a buy or sell signal from there. I'm not going to give any free signals out here. People who do not comply with the rules, no buy or sell signals for any of you. You guys have to comply with the rules. The rules goes like this. You deposit fund, get in touch with me. In a day, I will basically look into a perfect setup and try to give you an entry point or an exit point, whatever it is, be it a long, be it a short trade. I will do this for you. Even if I am not going to be live, I will still give it to you offline. But the rules remain same. The rules are going to be like you have to deposit funds while I am live. Is that clear enough for you guys? I hope this is clear for you. The rules of the game are clear for you guys, and that's how we go with it. That's how we go with the flow. And suppose in case I miss out in terms of you did the deposit and I was not able to give you a signal, and I either forget because of my own workload or any other things or any other commitments that I am tied up with, get in touch with me. Don't worry, get in touch with me, Telegram community too. I will give you a signal. I will means I will. If I forgot, or if I'm not if I'm not able to basically find out a thing for you like during the live, I will do it. Let me know what you want me to do. Okay, do you want to do it? Then you have to comply with the rules. The rules are simple of the game. It's a give and take. Support, you have to support me, then only I support you. So it's not going to be free of cost now, although I gave you such beautiful setups yesterday. Also, I think people who would have followed my stream, there was a beautiful, like around at least minimum $50, even with whatever position you guys would have been taking, you could have easily made it. But unfortunately, you guys are not doing it, and that's the sad part of it. Let me know. Get in touch with me, deposit it, get in touch with me offline. And don't worry, as you all know that crypto markets are 24/7, guys. And even when I'm not live, like I obviously I go offline at 8 p.m. Gulf Standard Time, Dubai time. So even if when I'm live, there's a setup I will give you. But if I'm not live, also offline, also I'll give you. So what do you want? You do it. But until unless you deposit while I am live. Okay, don't deposit it after I go offline. You have to deposit when I am live. The rule is you have to deposit when I am live. But signal, I may give you if I get a proper setup within the live itself. If I don't get it, because I don't want to rush you into buying into wrong, selling into wrong thing. So probably even during the live, if I don't get a proper setup to give you, then I might give it to you offline, which is like during the day, whatever time, wherever I find that there is a buy or sell opportunity, I will give it to you. I'll tell you where the buying opportunity is lying and how, like what you need to do. You can buy it here or you can sell it here. I will tell you that. What do you want to do? Come on, can I get some thumbs ups? Can I get some users? 338803. Can I get some thumbs ups? Jayprakash, can I get some? Can I get some yes, we are ready thing? Say that you're ready. Say, can I get some positive answers from all you guys? Come on, guys. The sessions are all for you guys, and you guys don't participate. It's not going to make any sense. I don't want these sessions to be just me talking out here, guys. I want you guys to talk. Come on, Jayprakash and Mr. 338803. This is what I hate about these live stream IDs out here. It's so difficult to refer you guys with the numbers out here. When there's a name like this guy has a very nice user ID, Jay Prakash. I'm able to call him Jay Prakash easily, but other people have to refer you with the numbers out there. That's a bit difficult. So 923251. Hi, welcome to the stream. 377803. Welcome to the stream. I will continue 1 USD. My dear, 1 USD is going to be very little amount for you to trade. Trust me. Are you going to leverage it out? Tell me, Jay Prakash, how are you going to tell? Okay, describe me your position first. I want to know, understand. $1, what do you want to buy with it, and how much leverage are you going to take? Explain me, then we'll try to size your position. And first of all, Jay Prakash, let me know, did you deposit fund while I was live? Were you able to do it? Because I want you to deposit funds while I'm live. If you want me to help you in terms of your strategy or building up your trade for the day, you have to basically participate with me, guys. You can't just be one side story, or you can't just be expecting me to do all the hard work and give me nothing in return, right? So if you want me to help you out, you have to tell me that you are going to deposit funds right now, and I give you the signal. How about that? Okay. It's a give and take. It's not going to be free lunches out here. This is not a charity organization. We are a very much profitable organization. I want you guys to participate here and keep this as a give and take kind of a thing. We don't want people to just participate, take free signals, take free lunches out here, and just disappear from here. So support me as much as I'm going to support you guys. Deposit funds while I'm live. Stand the chance to get a free signal after or before the trade, before the session goes over. So Jay Prakash, did you deposit the funds? Did you deposit the funds? I will continue with 1 USD. How much leverage are you planning to take? How much leverage, and what crypto do you want to invest into? All these questions. Guys, when you come live, I want you guys to be clear on what are your goals. You can't just sit with one-liners there, not explaining me what exactly is going on. I cannot understand with one-liners out there. You have to explain me completely what you want to do. Like, do you want to take a buy position? Do you want to take a sell position? Do you want to trade in certain crypto? If there are any personal requirements as such, also do let me know. Otherwise, I will be suggesting things as for my thing. I basically do chart analysis of Ethereum on a day-to-day basis. I will tell you that only. So any personal other requirements too, please feel free to say. Otherwise, let's stick to the things what we normally do here. Tell me. Guys, am I scaring you people? जय प्रकाश भैया, आप बताओ क्या है? आगे तो बोलो, 1 USD से कैसे ट्रेड लोगे आप बताओ. What is your strategy? What are you planning to do? 1 USD is very small, honestly speaking. देखो, अच्छा चलिए एक हाइपोथेटिकल आपका एक कैलकुलेशन करके फिट करके देखते हैं. चलो, now that you asked me this question, imagine you have $1, you said. Okay, $1 you took a 5x leverage also. यानी you're just spending $1 out of your pocket. So 5x का आपने leverage लिया, 5 का ही आपने position लिया, $5 में आप क्या ही खरीद पाओगे? अब ये इथेरियम को 3850 पे आपने करंटली खरीद लिया तो you're able to buy 0.0001.298 ethereum, but what are you in this? You'll even have some kind of, like, you'll have maker and taker fees, right? 0.05% for taker fees, and maker fees I think 0.02%. As far as that there's a fee. I'm not putting the fees out here. Without fees, अगर आपने से के आपने टारगेट रखा आपका 4,200, for example, I'm keeping it a very ambitious number here. That is where you are able to earn around 5.45. यानी मैंने कितने डॉलर का मूव रखा? देखो 4,200 minus 3850, यानी बेसिकली $350 का मूव रखा मैंने. Is this what works for you? Does this calculation work for you? But because your position is just for $5, your position will be able to hold $1, means your position will be able to hold. ये तो मैंने बाई पोजीशन पे रखा आपको. So $1 means so your current price was 3850 into 1.20 means your position will be able to hold 4620. Yes, $1 से basically $5 बना तो सकते हो, but again it's a probable case of basically 50-50 as usual. You guys know it very well. So this is how you take your position. And imagine even if for example जैसे मैंने पिछला डिनोमिनेटर क्या था हमारा, मैं मुझे याद नहीं है, 5.45. ओके, ये वाला मैं अमाउंट फिगर लेकर अगर इसमें 0.2 और 0.5 का मैं जैसे फीस लगाती हूँ, so this was my figure, right? This is what you made your profit. Okay, but to be able to achieve this profit, you also have to see a lot of combinations and a lot of probabilities that you need to calculate, and also do a bit of calculated risk out there so that you can arrive at this target that we are achieving at. But I will also plot this out for you on the chart. Let me just put a chart पे ये इसका ना एक थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस बिठाने की कोशिश करते हैं. जो मैं टारगेट सेट कर रही हूँ ये 1:2 कितने का रेशियो है, एक बार ट्राई करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं, ऑन द चार्ट्स फिट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So I have a long position. So I told you 3850 is my entry point, right? For example, hypothetical हमने ये वाला फिगर लिया था. Okay. Now let me just pull this to what was my target? 4,200 ना. ये बहुत बड़ा फिगर लिया मैंने यार. आप लोग को इतना बड़ा टारगेट लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. 4,200 बोला ना मैंने आपको. क्योंकि your amount is very small and your target is also very sorry, and your this thing is very small. That's why I'm giving you that kind of a, oh my god, this, look at this. ये रहा हमारा, ये रहा 4,200 पे हमारा टारगेट. Oh god, guys, wait. It is my long position. It is it gone? Yeah. So 3850 is my entry point. $1. And now you want to lower it down. You can do it as well, no problem. Oh, what is happening here? Just a sec. 3850. This is where my entry point. And now let me pull this 4,200. I told you, right? This is where my target taking is. You can lower this down, no problem. This is like how much? Oh my god, look at this. This is like around 1.11. 1:11 kind of a ratio that we're talking about. or you want to lower it a little, you can. We see, abhi for example you're talking about taker and maker fees. If 5.45 is your overall profit on $1, so your 0.05 is like this amount. Deduct this taker fees. Again, I'm going to copy this and deduct this from my this was my figure, right? This is my profit, and minus this is my amount. Let me copy this. It's point. Sorry, it didn't copy well. I think this is how it should copy. Yeah. So minus this. So this is what your taker fees will go. Then you have on this, you have another maker fee. 0.2% is like this will be your figure. So now the previous denominator, basically, so 5 point, sorry. So if this was my denominator, previous denominator, okay, I'll copy it from here. It's not letting me copy there. So if I copy this here and minus this fees also, because there is taker and maker fees, minus this, so you're left out with 5.108. Yeah, Jay Prakash, are you able to understand? Hi Sanjay, hi, welcome. I know I can relate to you, my dear. That's not a problem. So that is what I'm trying to make. देखो, आपने मुझसे पूछा you want to continue with 1 USDT, and I'm showing you how you can take a position. But all these are all probable factors that you're taking into consideration. Now, in the starting of the session, I was trying to tell you guys how you can leverage out a position with the least amount of leverage, and what you're trying to do here is like up to in your case, for example, you said you want to take a $1 position with, and you didn't even tell me what kind of leverage are you ready to take, but I have 1.7 USDT in balance. Okay, guys, 1.7 USDT, these are very small figures, and but if you're trying to keep a very like if you want to achieve a profit, it's going to take a lot of time. At the same time, you have to keep very big targets out there. But like I always say, I'm not going to decide on the capital, I'm not going to decide on the leverage, I'm not going to decide on your risk factors. That is totally up to you. My work is to show you how you can use your current money, how you can take a position, and how you can size your position. Even if in the worst case scenario, or in the best case scenarios that we're talking about, Ethereum on an average, if it's moving about $202 move, that is 202 points move. So what we're trying to figure out here is with $1 also how you're able to make profit. Now, if this figure what I spoke about is like 4,200 between 3850 is almost like $350 move, which might not be practically possible for you to achieve within a day, because the price might further go down. So if you are sizing a position at $1, can be a riskier thing, because see, in a day you are basically able to size your position. If on an average it's moving about $200, then you have to size your position so that in between that number you should be able to achieve your profit. If you overdo your calculations, if you over like keep your ambitious figures out there, you're not going to achieve. Jayaprakash, can you understand what I'm trying to tell, my dear? I understood your thing कि आपके पास सिर्फ 1.7 USDT बैलेंस में है. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? सोचो, I'm trying to again explain you, okay? अगर अभी आपके पास अकाउंट में, मतलब अभी आपके पास 1.7 USDT भी है या $1 जो भी है, आप इसका 5x का लेवरेज लगा रहे हो, तो आप अगर प्राइस 20% की मूवमेंट लेता है, तभी बेसिकली आपकी पोजीशन, अगर वो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लेता है, तो तभी जाकर आपका पोजीशन लिक्विडेट होगा, यानी आपका पोजीशन अपने आप क्लोज हो जाएगा। पर अगर आपको अपनी पोजीशन बनाए रखनी और आपको प्रॉफिट अचीव करना हो तो आप जो टारगेट रखोगे विच इज 1:2, you are not going to achieve that in next 24 hours because इथीरियम का फिलहाल जिस तरीके से मूवमेंट हो रहा है जो कि 2-2.5% के ऊपर जो चल रही है इथीरियम, उस पर अगर आप बेसिकली अपना टारगेट फिट करोगे तो मूवमेंट ही जब 200 पॉइंट की हो रही है, अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, आप ठीक है मैं समझ गई आप $1 का पोजीशन लेना चाहते हो, आप मैंने लीज साइड पे आपको 5x का 5 टाइम्स का आपका लेवरेज मैंने फिक्स किया। अगर आप मूवमेंट ले आप चाहते हो कि थोड़ा बहुत भी मूवमेंट आए और अच्छा खासा कुछ ढंग का तरीके का प्रॉफिट बने, तो या तो आपको वो जो $200 का मूव जो हो रहा है 200 पॉइंट्स का जो मूव हो रहा है उसी में आपको अपना टारगेट सेट करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप विद इन दैट अमाउंट विद इन दैट मूव आप अपना टारगेट अचीव कर पाओगे। क्योंकि आपने जिस अमाउंट पे अपना आप अपना टारगेट फिट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो उसमें आपको 350 पॉइंट्स की जरूरत है, 350 पॉइंट्स की जरूरत है। तो 350 पॉइंट्स आपको जब दिन में मार्केट में उतनी मूव ही नहीं हो रही है, जबकि मूवमेंट सिर्फ 200 पॉइंट की हो रही है, तो आप 350 पॉइंट्स कैसे लाओगे? तब तक तो नेक्स्ट डे में शायद हो सकता है कि 24 आवर्स में मार्केट अगर और उल्टा चले गई, लाइक इट्स अ हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, हो सकता है कि नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स में ऊपर जाने की जगह वो नीचे चले गई, तब तो आपका पोजीशन लिक्विडेट हो जाएगा ना, तो कैसे अचीव कर पाओगे आप? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट जयप्रकाश? आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोलने की कोशिश करें? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हियर? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट और डू यू वांट मी टू एक्सप्लेन इट वंस अगेन? आई कैन डू इट, नो प्रॉब्लम। अगर ये बहुत ज्यादा टेक्निकल लग रहा है मैं आपको और सिंप्लीफाइड तरीके से बता सकती हूँ, डोंट हेजिटेट, बताओ आप मुझे, आराम से बताओ। क्या आप समझ पाए? देखो, $1 से आपका ट्रेड पॉसिबल है, $1 पर $1 पर आप बेसिकली चलो 5% आप गुना 5 गुना ज्यादा उसके ऊपर लेवरेज लगाकर भी आप ट्रेड ले लेते हो, जो कि $5 का आप ट्रेड ले लेते हो, ट्रेड होगा, लेकिन बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम यही आएगी कि आप वो अचीव नहीं कर पाओ। और दूसरा एक चीज जो मैं तो भूल ही गई आपको बोलना कि अगर आपको जीबिट पे आपको ट्रेड लेना हो, आई थिंक जीबिट पर फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडिंग में वो आपको $1 से ट्रेड लेने नहीं देगा, वो मिनिमम आपको बोलेगा कि आपके अकाउंट में $3 मिनिमम होना चाहिए, 3 पॉइंट समथिंग, तभी वो आपको फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडिंग में अलाउ करेगा। क्योंकि अगर आपके अकाउंट में मार्जिन नहीं होगी एक ट्रेड को लाइक रोकने के लिए, यानी ट्रेड को लिक्विडेट होने से बचाने के लिए, तो जीबिट पे आपको $3 के नीचे आपको आप ट्रेड अलाउ नहीं करेगा वो। आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू कंप्लीटली, हालांकि मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली सिर्फ आपको कैलकुलेशंस बता रही थी, बट मैं तो आपको रूल बताना ही भूल गई कि $3 के नीचे का आपको वो ट्रेड नहीं देगा। तो मिनिमम आपको डिपॉजिट जो करना पड़ेगा वो एटलीस्ट आपको $3 या $5 से मिनिमम शुरुआत करनी पड़ेगी। ये मेरा खुद का रूल नहीं है, ये एक लेवरेज का रूल होता है, क्योंकि जो मार्जिन आपको अपने अकाउंट में मेंटेन करनी होती है वो आपको मिनिमम थोड़ी तो अमाउंट मेंटेन करनी होगी, तभी तो वो आपको लेवरेज दे पाएगा। अगर आपके अकाउंट में है ही $1, तो वो $1 जस्ट इधर उधर थोड़ा भी अप एंड डाउन होगा तो आपकी मतलब पोजीशन बेसिकली खत्म हो सकती है ना, तो वो उसको आपको ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट होने ही नहीं देगा। तो आप बेसिकली एटलीस्ट मिनिमम जो ट्रेड लोगे 3 से 3-3.5 डॉलर का ट्रेड लोगे, तो उतना तो आपको अकाउंट में पैसा रखना पड़ेगा और उतने का तो लेवरेज आपको लेना पड़ेगा। लेवरेज आप कम कर सकते हो, नो डाउट, 5 जो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ आप वो 1x भी ले सकते हो, 2x 3x 4x 5x, पर आई थिंक मिनिमम जो ट्रेड वैल्यू आपको लेनी है वो तो एटलीस्ट आपको तीन तीन की वो बोलेगा। एक मिनट रुको, जस्ट मुझे थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करके देखने दो। अगर मैं 1x का लेवरेज लेती हूँ मेरे फ्यूचर्स में, ये तो मेरा बैलेंस अच्छा खासा है इसीलिए ये मुझे नहीं वो कर रहा है, बट अगर 3 के नीचे होता है तो एरर देता है। तो जयप्रकाश आपको थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा। $1 से ले पा रहे हो क्या आप अपना पोजीशन? मुझे तो नहीं पता, मुझे तो नहीं आ रहा था, मुझे तो 3 3.5 मिनिमम डॉलर मांग रहा है वो अकाउंट में, तभी मुझे वो लाइक पोजीशन देता है। लाइक हाउ इज इट एबल टू, लाइक आपको $1 में कैसे हो रहा है, आपको कैसे एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है वो, पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो। थोड़ा क्लैरिटी करोगे माय डियर? एग्जैक्टली, नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा आपको। मुझे दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स का भी थोड़ा भी क्लैरिटी नहीं है, बट यहाँ पे तो एटलीस्ट आपको $3-3.5 तो होना चाहिए। स्पॉट में आप ले सकते हो, स्पॉट में, क्योंकि आप अपना खुद का पैसा लगाते हो, तो $1 हो या $0.5 हो, कुछ भी हो, क्योंकि इसमें आप लेवरेज लगाने हो, तो स्पॉट में आप खरीदारी कर सकते हो। लेकिन फ्यूचर्स में एटलीस्ट मिनिमम, क्योंकि मार्जिन का इस्तेमाल करते हो आप, यहाँ पर लेवरेज का इस्तेमाल करते हो, तो आपको एटलीस्ट $3-3.5 तो मिनिमम आपके अकाउंट में रखनी पड़ेगी, ताकि वो मार्जिन मेंटेन हो। अगर आपको पोजीशन होल्ड करके रखनी होगी फॉर सम टाइम, उसको मेंटेन करके रखनी होगी, तो आपको थोड़ा तो मतलब बैलेंस रखना पड़ेगा अकाउंट में। यू कांट बी लाइक जस्ट सिटिंग विथ नथिंग इन योर पॉकेट, दैट इज हाउ इट वर्क। सो एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म आपको अपनी तरफ से पैसे ऐड करके आपको दे रही है, एक पोजीशन बढ़ाने का, एनहांस करने का एक चांस दे रही है, लेकिन आपको उस पोजीशन को मेंटेन करने के लिए यू हैव टू डू वेलकम बैलेंस 176241. I didn't understand what is welcome balance. Did you get it? Did you guys? आप लोग को बाई सेल एंट्री चाहिए, बाई सेल एंट्री चाहिए तो आपको मुझे मैं जब लाइव हूं तभी आपको डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा, तभी यू कैन स्टैंड द चांस टू विन फ्री सिग्नल फ्रॉम माई एंड, चाहे वो ऑफलाइन हो ऑनलाइन हो। आई एम रिपीटिंग इट वंस अगेन, द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम इज कि आपको लाइव हूं मैं तभी आपको डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा फंड। अगर आप डिपॉजिट करोगे while I am live, then I will give you the offline or online signal for buying or selling. But until then, I cannot give you any entry out there. Guys, मेरे जो भी स्ट्रीमिंग में मैंने बिफोर आई ट्राई टू शेयर एनी काइंड ऑफ बाय सेल सिग्नल्स, गो चेक द सेटअप्स एंड द काइंड ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स दैट वी हैव, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट। अगर आप लोग को सब कुछ समझ आ रहा हो तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं जाकर कि मैं जब भी आप लोग को सिग्नल देती हूँ बहुत वैलिड रीजंस के साथ और सही सिग्नल्स देती हूँ, ताकि आपका प्रॉफिट बने। तो अगर आपको वैसा प्रॉफिट चाहिए तो यू हैव टू बेसिकली डिपॉजिट फंड्स व्हेन आई एम लाइव। और एक चीज, फंड्स यहाँ पर डिपॉजिट करने के बाद आपको मेरे साथ टच में आना होगा, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन हो ऑफलाइन, तभी मैं आपको बता सकूंगी कि आपको कहाँ ट्रेड लेना है, नहीं लेना है। I hope you guys are able to understand. ठीक है, Jaiprakash, if you have got further questions, please shoot it out in the क्या कहते हैं, in the comments. I will answer to your questions. Other than that, I'm going to take a 5 to 10 minutes break here, and then we'll continue talking about other things and other concepts and other things that we're talking about. Okay, guys? So stay tuned, and I want you guys to participate. Please use the deposit button as much as you can, so that you can show some love and support towards these streaming sessions. And you can stand the chance to win free giveaways and free signals from my end in case you are going to deposit funds while I'm live. So stay tuned, and I will continue to talk to you guys. Hi, Tia Board. Hi. I'm going to come back in 5-10 minutes, my dear, and then we will talk because I'm taking a small 5-10 minutes break. TR Bolt, क्या मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर सकती हूँ कि कैन यू कम ऑन द Zbit platform on the application itself, because I have a contest running here. यहाँ पर मैं बेसिकली सबको एक बाई और सेल सिग्नल देती हूँ 24/7 में, मतलब 24 आवर्स में, जब भी मुझे are trading in Chrome or in the basically this live stream is available both on the desktop as well as on the application. Guys, if you want me to give you a buy or sell signal, the rule of the game, the rule of the streaming is okay, you have to deposit funds while I am live. While I am live, you deposit funds. Hi. Then only I will give you the signals. मैं आप लोग को कोई फ्री सिग्नल नहीं देने वाली हूँ। अगर आपको सिग्नल चाहिए तो बेसिकली आपको मुझसे मतलब मैं जब लाइव हूं तब आपको फंड्स डिपॉजिट करने हैं, और फिर मैं ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन में आपको, चाहे वो मेरी टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी हो, चाहे यहाँ पर हो, बिटवीन 4 to 8 PM दुबई टाइम, मैं आपको बाय या सेल सिग्नल्स शेयर करूंगी, एंड यू कैन ट्रेड एंड मेक सम प्रॉफिट्स आउट देयर। क्योंकि मार्केट्स बहुत अनसर्टेन होती है, कभी कभी while I'm live we might not be able to catch a right kind of a move, we might not be able to capture a perfect entry or some kind of good calculative entry or something. Even if it is not available while I'm live, I'll make sure that I will give you the signal offline. So can I get some deposits coming my way? Hi 726640. Hi. Who's this? Who is it? Can I know? Hi. Can I get some deposits, guys? I'm going for a 5 minutes short break. Meanwhile, can I get some deposits coming my way? Tell me you are with me. Tell me you're with me. Tell me you're with me. Come on. Do you want to trade? Do you want to make some profits? Then you have to tell me you're with me and you're depositing funds out there. Okay? Can I hear some thumbs ups? Can I get some positive answers coming my way, please? Guys, do you want to make profits or not? मतलब free में नहीं आ रहे हो ना? Do you want to waste your time coming here and just see my face and just go? No, right? Profits बनाने हैं या नहीं बनाने? अगर बनाने हैं तो you have to comply with the rules of the game. The rules of the game is you have to deposit funds. That's when you get the chance to get a free signal. TR Bolt to join my session on the application itself. Use the deposit button to deposit funds from there, and then you can stand the chance to get a free signal and make some profits out there. I want you guys to make a lot of profit with me. Come on, who is with me? Who is with me? Come on. 892124 726640. Are you guys with me? Come on, tell me. Is anybody trading? Guys, how is it going? Like, is anyone making profits, losses? What is it going? I know हम लोग जब वो ले लेते हैं, when we take a position and we are like just waiting for our profits to it, it's a very बहुत ज्यादा टेंस्ड मामला होता है, राइट? बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन में बैठे होते हैं, यार मेरा प्रॉफिट हिट होगा या नहीं होगा, या फिर मेरा loss hoga ya mera stop loss hit hoga. These are all the different kinds of emotions and feelings that we go through, and I can totally relate to all you guys. I'm sure each one of you are going through the same kind of struggles, pains and everything, which I also as a trader go myself. So I hope I hope हम सब ये सब आसान तरीके से करें और हम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रॉफिट्स बनाएं, कोशिश करें कि लॉसेस कम बनाएं और प्रॉफिट ज्यादा बनाएं. ठीक है गाइज, मैं अभी जस्ट 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेक लेकर वापस आती हूँ, देन वी विल कंटिन्यू टॉकिंग. अगर आप में से कोई भी फंड्स डिपॉजिट करेगा तो मैं आप लोग को लाइव सिग्नल दूंगी, और आप लोग रूल्स नहीं फॉलो करोगे तो यू माइट नॉट बी एबल टू. गाइज, अगर आपको मुझसे ऑफलाइन में सिग्नल चाहिए, ऑफलाइन में मुझसे बात करनी हो, तो यू विल हैव टू, यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पर आपने जीबिट का प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपने यहाँ पर ऑप्शन देखा है ना कि मोर ऑप्शन में जाओगे आप अगर जीबिट के, तो वहां पर आपको ये वाले ऑप्शन में ये फैन वाला चाहिए, ऑफलाइन में मुझसे बात करनी हो तो यहाँ पर मोर वाले ऑप्शन में आप मुझसे टेलीग्राम चैनल पर भी बात कर सकते हैं. कैन यू सी दिस वन? ओके, इस पर आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हो. अगर आपको मैंने लाइव सिग्नल नहीं दिया तो ऑफलाइन में आप मुझसे बात करके ले सकते हो. एनीवेज, आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ स्मॉल 5 minutes ब्रेक एंड देन विल कंटिन्यू. 892124. आई एम सॉरी, मैं एक 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले रही हूँ, फिर मैं आपसे कंटिन्यू करूंगी. अगर आप लोग को कुछ भी रहेगा, drop in the comments what you guys want me to do, what you guys want me to talk about or anything as such, then we will basically pick up from there. Come on guys. So guys, I'm back. How's it everybody going on? How is it 892 124? How is it going with you, my dear? Today we were not able to see a bit of news as well. I think I wanted to cover a piece of information on the news side of it. But unfortunately, since the starting of the session, I've been focusing more on you guys, joining with me, talking to me, because I just don't want to be like this session to be only where I talk. So that's why I'm trying to talk to you guys whenever you guys are coming live. So 892124, do you want to talk to me? Do you want to say anything? Share your trading journey. How is it going? Are you trading future spot? What are you doing? You want to share anything? Feel free to do so. Because I want to understand each one of yours journey and help you out in terms of making it easy for you guys. So tell me, are you with me in this? Okay. Bolo bhaiya, behna, friend. I don't know what all should I call you guys. कैसे हो आप लोग क्या हो थोड़ा सा जो है ना आराम से बात करो मुझसे कोई जल्द नहीं है कोई you guys can take your time be comfortable with me I think मैं कोई इतनी डरावनी चीज तो हूं नहीं कि आप लोग मुझसे बात नहीं कर सकते you can talk to me easily बहुत आसानी से आप बात कर सकते हो So currently it's like a dampened risk asset mode in crypto because of the recent comments from the Federal Reserve Chairman, Mr. Jerome Powell. So traders, they are all taking profits after recent runs and liquidity is showing signs of tightening. So bulls are all pausing in the current situation. It's a pullback rather than a meltdown. So good time to watch for support zones rather than chasing the new highs in this current scenario. Overall, in the broader financial markets perspective, equity, global markets, they are showing some positive signals from the People's Republic of China and US trading cruising, which is adding a tentative risk on flavor. Meanwhile, in India, Sensex and Nifty, basically, they are 50 slid 300 to 400 points as foreign institutional investors are pulled out money and global caution is weighing. Central bank activity, European Central Bank held rates steady and regulators are flagging potential bubbles in tech or AI. Mixed signals, trade tension relief in one corner, central bank caution in another. That means markets are likely to move and it fits in, but it fits not smooth trends. So we have to watch out for the recovery levels around 108K for Bitcoin and Ethereum, like we are seeing it at 3856, we have to still see it should recover to the previous support zones, which was lying around 4,000 to 4,200. So if there's any possible news coming up in few days or few weeks, we will have to keep a watch on it. I mean, at the moment, there's nothing in the market, like there's nothing in the news, anything pertaining to, say, like the interest rate cuts, anything which relates to federal monetary policies or things like that. But yes, it does, have some kind of thing on. The only thing at present what we can look for is like in their own ecosystems, if there's any kind of upgrades that are coming, like especially for Ethereum or Solana, XRP, any upgrades that are coming, new partnerships coming up. Other than that, on the monetary policy or overall rate cuts or CPI, PPI information, not much of clarity, not much of any upcoming thing here. And There are no major catalysts at the moment. That's why you can see that all of them are sitting nicely, chilled out. मतलब सब Ethereum आके 3,800 पर बैठ गया है, BNB भी like 1,000 पे आके बैठ गया. Like they made their all-time highs at 132, sorry 126. Bitcoin, Ethereum 4,900, BNB 1,300, Solana 294, XRP 3.8, 3. I think 3.38 is what it made us high. I think all time high उसका उतना ही है. तो सारे के सारे बेसिकली ऑल टाइम हाइज बनाकर अभी चिल्ड आउट मूड में बैठे हैं. सबके सब नीचे पहुंच गए हैं. अभी देखना ये है कि ये रैली कब तक कंटिन्यू होगी और फिर कब तक कहां से क्या होगा. ओके. या तो ये जो सेटअप आप लोग देख रहे हो ऑन माय करंट स्क्रीन इज लाइक, किसी ने मुझसे ये सवाल किया था. देयर वाज अ व्यूअर जस्ट नाउ अ व्हाइल अगो कॉल्ड जयप्रकाश. उन्होंने बोला कि उनके पास से $1 है और वो पोजीशन लेना चाहते हैं. तो मैंने उनको टारगेट सेट करके बताया कि क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है विद ऑल द लेवरेजेस दैट यू कैन टेक. बट प्रॉब्लम इज कि Zbit पर basically you can take a position, but it can't be like as low as $1. At least it make like it will ask you to keep at least $3.5 in your pocket. Then only you can take a leverage position on Zbit. So that's a minimum criteria. तो आई डोंट नो कि दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म से $1 से भी पोजीशन ली जा सकती है या नहीं. मैंने अभी दूसरे कोई प्लेटफॉर्म पे टेस्ट नहीं किया है. Zbit पे मैंने किया है. तो Zbit का मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि 3.5 मिनिमम तो वो चाहता है कि आपके बैलेंस में हो, तब आपको पोजीशन दे लेवरेज वाली. लेवरेज कितना लेना है दैट्स टोटली अप टू यू गाइस. ये तो आप लोग डिसाइड करेंगे कि कितना रिस्क लेने की आपकी कैपेसिटी है एंड कितना रिस्क आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हो एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो जैसे कि मैं आप लोग को बता रही हूँ गाइस, मैं तो कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड ऑल हर वक्त एक्सप्लेन करती रहती हूँ. मैं आप लोग को आज के बाद कोई फ्री सिग्नल्स नहीं दूंगी. फ्री सिग्नल सिर्फ उसी को मिलेंगे जो मेरे साथ जुड़कर रहेंगे, जो मुझसे कंप्लाई करेंगे मेरे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को. और रूल्स ये हैं कि जब भी मैं लाइव हूँ तब आप लोग डिपॉजिट करें फंड्स. मेरा डिपॉजिट जो बटन है वो बटन को इस्तेमाल करें ऑन द लाइव रूम, और वो वाले ही बटन से आप अपने डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करें और डिपॉजिट करें. तभी मैं आपको ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन हो, मैं आपको अपना लाइव सिग्नल शेयर करूंगी. ओनली टू द यूजर्स who basically comply with the rules. मैं हर किसी के साथ नहीं शेयर करने वाली. डोंट वरी. अगर इवन आप सेशन पे आओगे, आप फंड्स डिपॉजिट नहीं करोगे, मैं लाइव में आपके साथ कोई बाय सेल सिग्नल नहीं शेयर करूंगी. ओनली उन्हीं के साथ प्राइवेटली जो बेसिकली अपना कीमती वक्त मुझे दे रहे हैं और ये सेशंस ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, उन्हीं को दैट स्पेशल प्रिविलेज मिलेगी. Okay, if you want to be treated special, if you want to be treated like you want to get some additional help or benefit or things like that, you have to comply with the rules. Otherwise free तो मैं signals नहीं देने वाली हूँ. So, like I was telling you, there are few things that I wanted to tell you guys in the starting of this session के अक्सर आप लोग जो है ना लिक्विडिटी ट्रैप्स में, लिक्विडिटी लाइक मार्केट ट्रैप्स में, या फिर जो क्या कहते हैं जो स्वीप होती है वो चीजों में फंस जाते हो, और काफी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं। तो ऐसे में हाउ यू आर प्लानिंग आउट योर ट्रेड्स, सो you need specific things that you need to watch out। तो अक्सर आप देखेंगे कि लाइक you'll see sometimes के एक कैंडल बहुत क्विकली फॉर्म हो रहा है। मार्केट ट्रैप्स कैसे होते हैं मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि मार्केट ट्रैप्स बेसिकली जब आप चार्ट पर सडनली, और इथीरियम में मैंने काफी ऑब्जर्व किया है कि दिन भर में 24 आवर्स में इथीरियम में एटलीस्ट एक बार तो ना वो मार्केट ट्रैप करने की कोशिश करता है, लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब या लिक्विडिटी स्वीप जिसको बोलते हैं वो करने की कोशिश करता है, जहां पे ना आपको एक रेड कैंडल या ग्रीन कैंडल बहुत क्विकली फॉर्म होती हुई नजर आएगी। आपको इसको आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करना है? देखो, एक होता है जहां पे द ग्रीन कैंडल either might like shoot very fast, that can be an order block। okay, there are two things, not every candle which is moving very quick and is moving in very strong size is going to be your liquidity trap। there is a slight difference between the two। in liquidity trap or in market trap or the liquidity sweep that we tell, what happens normally is that the candle will start going very quickly, either it's a green candle or a red candle, doesn't matter, they start like sudden movement, you'll see like फट 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 एक ऐसे जाते हुए नजर आएगा। अगर उस समय आप आपके वॉल्यूम इंडिकेटर पर ये देखोगे दैट द वॉल्यूम इज नॉट जस्टिफाइंग द मूव ओवर देयर, व्हिच मींस द वॉल्यूम शुड आल्सो जस्टिफाई दैट मूवमेंट। देखो यार, प्राइस और वॉल्यूम में कोरिलेशन है, isn't it? Is it there or not? The answer is yes, because if volume is increasing that means price should also increase। यानी वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहा है, डिमांड बढ़ रही है, तो प्राइस को भी ऊपर जाना ही जाना है। लेकिन अगर आपको बेसिकली सिर्फ प्राइस बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है लेकिन वॉल्यूम आपकी कहीं मूव ही नहीं हो रही, या तो रेड वॉल्यूम चल रही है या तो फिर वॉल्यूम मतलब कुछ मूवमेंट ही नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो बेसिकली आर द मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आर द जोन्स वेयर इट इज अ मार्केट ट्रैप। यानी मार्केट सिर्फ आपको एक उल्लू बनाने की कोशिश कर रही है, जहां पर आपने वो मोमेंट को कैप्चर नहीं किया एंड यू सॉ दैट इट वाज लाइक गोइंग वेरी क्विकली ओवर देयर एंड यू डिडंट कैप्चर दैट, only you just saw the price but you didn't like bother to check the volume or really is it moving in real terms, is it really moving, then you will be victim of the market trap that we are talking about। so in that scenario होता यही है कि अगर अक्सर ये होता है कि कभी कभी वेल्स भी ऐसे वाली मूव्स में कभी घुस जाती हैं, और यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज द मोमेंट यू आल्सो एंटर इनटू अ ट्रेड अलोंग विद देम, हो सकता है कि सडनली वो आपकी वहां से लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब करके वापस से प्राइस जब अगर रिवर्स हो जाता है तो वो वाला एक सिनेरियो बन सकता है। उसमें मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि अगर वॉल्यूम कंफर्मेशन नहीं हो रही है तो ऐसे वाले ट्रेड्स में आप लोग को जाना भी नहीं चाहिए, बट अगर वॉल्यूम कंफर्मेशन हो जाती है तो फिर वो हो सकता है कि वो रियल में इट्स नॉट अ फेक आउट, इट्स अ ब्रेकआउट, कंप्लीटली ब्रेकआउट है। रियल में वहां पे बाइंग हो रही होगी और रियल में वहां पे सेलिंग हो रही है, तो वो आपको ब्रेकआउट से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो ब्रेकआउट और फेक आउट में फाइंड आउट करना इतना ही मेजर डिफरेंस होता है बिटवीन द टू, and when you are able to find out that you will not be part of the market trap that I'm talking about। तो liquidity grab या liquidity sweep का आप शिकार नहीं बनेंगे अगर इन केस आपने ये दो तीन चीजों को ध्यान में रख लिया। तो अगर ऐसे वाली चीजों में आपको ट्रेड करना हो तो ट्रेडिंग में आप यही कर सकते हो कि जब भी बहुत ज्यादा क्रेजी मूवमेंट आपको दिखाई देता है, यूजुअली मैं अक्सर ऐसे वाले जोन्स में ऑपोजिट में ट्रेड लेना पसंद करती हूँ। अगर जैसे मैं देखती हूँ कि रेड वाली कैंडल बहुत क्विकली मूव हो रही है तो आई वुड रादर टेक अ पोजिशन ऑपोजिट टू इट। और ये वाला मैं फॉर्मूला सिर्फ फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडिंग में अप्लाई करती हूँ, नॉट नेसेसरी कि मैं इसको स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग में अप्लाई करूँ। स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग में मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी अलग हो सकती है और मैं हो सकता है कि मैं वो फ्लो के साथ ही भी जाऊं, क्योंकि उसमें मुझे ज्यादा रिस्क लगा हुआ नहीं है, क्योंकि एनीवेज प्राइस अगर वापस से फिर से वो जोन में रीटेस्ट करेगा, विच यूजुअली इट डज हैपन, कि अगर उसने एक रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट कर दिया है ऑलरेडी, एक लॉन्ग विक फॉर्म हुई है, प्राइस कहीं से कोई लेवल से रिजेक्ट हुआ है, तो उस जोन में वापस से प्राइस फिर से रिटेस्ट करेगा, क्योंकि वहां पर आपके कुछ लोगों के वहां पे स्टॉप लॉसेस बैठे हैं, किसी के कुछ वहां पे ट्रेड्स बैठे हैं, तो वहां पे वो वापस से रीटेस्ट करेगा। तो मैं यूजुअली या तो स्पॉट, मैं इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन के मैं कौन सी वाली ट्रेडिंग कर रही हूँ। अगर मैं स्पॉट कर रही हूँ तो मुझे इतना ये सारी मूवमेंट्स का उतना लाइक प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, ना ही मुझे इतना फर्क पड़ता है। आप लोग को भी नहीं फर्क पड़ना चाहिए। बट अगर इन केस हम बात करें फॉर फ्यूचर्स, फ्यूचर्स में आप अगर एक स्कैल्पिंग पोजिशन की एक एक मोमेंट को कैप्चर करना चाहते हो, तो वो बढ़ती हुई कैंडल के साथ ट्रेड ना ले। मैं अक्सर जो शॉर्ट मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, जो बहुत क्विक मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, उसको कैप्चर करने की कोशिश नहीं करती हूँ, क्योंकि उसमें अक्सर अगर आप टाइमिंग को मिस कर दोगे, आप अगर उसमें लाइक यू विल मिस आउट ऑन व्हाट यू कॉल इट एज एग्जीक्यूटिंग इट एट द राइट टाइम, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्रूशियल होता है। तो वहां पर बेसिकली आपके या तो स्टॉप लॉसेस या फिर आपके मनी के स्टक होने या ट्रैप होने के बहुत चांसेस होते हैं। तो इन दैट केस अगर आप एग्जीक्यूशन लेवल्स में काफी अच्छे हो, यानी आपके फिंगर टिप्स पर है, बाई एंड सेल करना आपके लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, बहुत क्विकली क्विकली आप बाई भी कर लेते हो, क्विकली क्विकली आप सेल भी कर लेते हो, तो फिर आप लोग को ऐसे क्विक वाले मूवमेंट्स लेने में कोई प्रॉब्लम या दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए। लेकिन द बेस्ट वे इज कि अगर आपको ऐसे वाले राइट टाइम एंड पोजिशन को कैप्चर करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो वो बेटर है कि यू अवॉइड सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स एंड टेक अ ट्रेड इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन। देखो, अगर प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है, नीचे तो आएगा राइट एट सम पॉइंट, यानी रिट्रेस तो होगा। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि रिवर्सल होगा, रिट्रेस तो होगा सम पॉइंट इन लेवल, या फिर नीचे जा रहा है तो फिर वापस से ऊपर भी उठेगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो इनएविटेबल। दोनों दोनों सूरतें पॉसिबल है राइट, दोनों भी कंडीशंस आर लाइक इनएविटेबल, उसमें कोई शक की बात ही नहीं है। हाँ, रिवर्सल्स की अगर हम बात करें तो रिवर्सल्स आर टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग। रिवर्सल्स हमें वो लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव से बड़े मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर पे भी देखना पड़ेगा, छोटे वाले उस पर इंटरनल मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर पर भी ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ेगा कि where is the reversal is likely to come, or where it is going to completely go in downward direction or upward direction, that we need to, but retracement तो possible है right short term में। तो शॉर्ट टर्म्स में मूवमेंट्स को कैप्चर कर रहे हो तो ये एक अच्छी स्ट्रेटेजी हो सकती है। इसको ट्राई एंड टेस्ट इट एंड एनालाइज इट एंड सी इट फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी के व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल एंड ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हियर। अगर आप लोगों में किसी ने भी कभी ये स्ट्रेटेजीज को ऐसे तरीके से आपने एग्जीक्यूट करके अपनाया हो, तो फिर आप मुझे बता सकते हो एंड यू कैन लेट मी नो कि इट डिड वर्क आउट फॉर यू। देखो, इसमें कोई ऐसा कुछ खास रॉकेट साइंस है, इसमें कोई लॉजिकल रीजनिंग या बहुत ज्यादा मतलब उसमें ना दिमाग लगाने वाली कोई बात नहीं है। बस मैं कोशिश यही कर रही हूँ कि कैसे आप ट्रेड को इजी बना सकते हैं। यहाँ पर ना अगर बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जब बहुत क्विक मूवमेंट होता है एंड वहां पे लिक्विडिटी ट्रैप होने के चांसेस बहुत होते हैं ना, तो वैसे वाले में मैं बेसिकली आपको एक कॉशियस वे में कैसे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं वो आपको एक आइडिया दे रही हूँ। अगर जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि ये जरूरी नहीं है कि बिकॉज एग्जीक्यूशन लेवल्स अगर आपके बहुत क्विक हैं, यू कैन मूव वेरी क्विक विद द ग्रोइंग कैंडल्स एंड बहुत क्विक मूवमेंट्स का आपको कैप्चर करना आता हो, there's nothing wrong in it, आप कर सकते हो। ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि उसको ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में ही लेना। अगर जिस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है उसमें भी ट्रेड लेना है तो आप वेरिएबल ले सकते हैं। सो दैट्स अबाउट लिक्विडिटी ट्रैप्स, लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब, स्वीप्स। अदर देन दैट मैंने आपको थोड़े दिन पहले वो भी बताया था कि व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज ऑर्डर ब्लॉक रिजेक्शंस। जहां पर भी अगर आपने चार्ट पर अगर आपने देखा हो कि कोई बड़ी सी कैंडल फॉर्म हो रही है और उसमें कहीं से प्राइस सडनली आपको रिजेक्ट होते हुए नजर आ रहा है विथ अ वेरी बिग लॉन्ग विक, तो वो वाले जोन को प्राइस वापस से रिटेस्ट करेगी। वो तो पॉसिबल है। एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज, अक्सर वहां से आप देखोगे कि प्राइस के रिवर्सल होने के चांसेस बहुत होते हैं। जैसे कि अभी देखो यहाँ पर काफी समय तक बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल्स फॉर्म होती रही और यहाँ पर हालांकि देयर हैज बीन अ बिग रिजेक्शन दैट हैज हैपेंड, बट देन प्राइस कंटिन्यूड इट्स रैली फॉर सम टाइम। बट इन द अर्ली स्टेजेस इटसेल्फ यहाँ पर ही हमको एक क्लियर इंडिकेशन मिल गया था कि अभी ना प्राइस बार बार रिजेक्ट हो रहा है। तो इट वाज गिविंग अस एन इंडिकेशन के भाई अपने पोजीशंस को थोड़ा सा संभाल लो, और उसने बता दिया था कि यहाँ से अभी हमको ना रिवर्सल के या फिर हमारे रिट्रेसमेंट के ऑप्शंस बन रहे हैं। तो ये जो आप चार्ट पे जब भी बिग बिग विक्स देखोगे, बॉडी जब छोटी होती हुई नजर आएगी, विक्स बड़े हुए होते हुए नजर आएंगे, तो ये आपको कहीं ना कहीं इंडिकेट करेगी कि प्राइस उस लेवल को सस्टेन नहीं कर पा रहे, यानी बायर्स या तो उस लेवल पे स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं हो पा रहे हैं या फिर बायर्स वहां सेलर्स वहां पे स्ट्रॉन्ग हो नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो वहां से मोस्ट लाइकली आपका ट्रेड मतलब यहाँ वहां से रिवर्सल होने के चांसेस बन रहे करके वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको इंडिकेट करता है। तो दिस इज अनदर थिंग, ये एक और स्ट्रेटेजी जो बेसिकली कैन वर्क फॉर ऑल यू गाइज। और वैसे तो मैंने आप लोग को बहुत सारे सेशन में फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स पे कैसे ट्रेड लेना है, क्योंकि फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स भी काफी रिटेस्ट होते हैं तो जहां भी आप फेयर वैल्यू गैप देखोगे, क्योंकि एवरी कैंडल जो बेसिकली चार्ट पे बनती है, नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो जेन्युइन मूव होगा। जैसे अभी मैं आपको बता रही थी, अगर वॉल्यूम कंफर्म नहीं करती है कि वहां पे सच में रियल की बाइंग हुई है या रियल की सेलिंग हुई है, तो फिर वो तो फेक हुआ, फेक आउट हुआ, या तो फिर वो बेसिकली फेयर वैल्यू गैप हो सकता है। यानी उस समय पे प्राइस बहुत बहुत फास्ट फास्ट मूव हो गया, पर उस समय पे उन जगह पर उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में वहां पर कोई बाइंग या सेलिंग हो नहीं पाई प्रॉपरली, तो वहां पर आपको एक गैप नजर आएगा। वो गैप को फिल करने के लिए मार्केट वापस से फिर वो इस जोन को टेस्ट करती है। अगर जब आपने कोई अच्छा सा बड़ा मूव देखा हो मार्केट में और फिर आपने उसको कैप्चर नहीं कर पाया हो, तो आप वापस से कहीं ना कहीं उसी के जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है उसके पास वहां पर वापस से आप एंट्री लगा सकते हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर फेयर वैल्यू गैप मैंने पॉइंट आउट नहीं किया है, बट मैं आपको एक हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ कि अगर यहाँ पर जैसे देखो ये इम्बैलेंस नजर आ रहा है, ये जो पिछली वाली कैंडल का जो क्लोज था यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो बीच में हर कैंडल ऑलमोस्ट इसी साइज का बन रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक सडन वाला बना। ये जरूरी नहीं है कि ये फेयर वैल्यू गैप हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर अभी मैंने वॉल्यूम को कंफर्म नहीं किया है, ना ही मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ और दूसरी एनालिसिस फिट की है, बट मैं सिर्फ इसके लुक ऑफ इट से बोल रही हूँ। क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर जस्ट जैसे ये कैंडल्स दिख रही है, अगर यहाँ पे फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्रिएट हुआ होगा, तो इस जगह पर बेसिकली हुआ ये है कि यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक अभी प्रॉब्लम ये हुई है कि इस जगह पे ऑर्डर्स फिल नहीं हुए, प्राइस वापस से यहाँ रिट्रेस हुआ। तो आपने देखा कि अगर आपने इस समय पे यहाँ पे भी एंट्री नहीं ली थी होगी, तो यहाँ से आप अपना वापस से एंट्री बना सकते हो। तो कहने का मतलब वही है कि जो प्राइस का जो लेवल होता है मोस्टली वो विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स आपको नेक्स्ट वाले मूव में वापस से रीटेस्ट करके बता देता है। तो अभी जो टारगेट्स आप लोग फिक्स करते हो, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी देखो यहाँ पर लेट मी जस्ट पुट अ मेरा लॉन्ग पोजीशन का, हाँ, अगर जैसे इस वाली डिप पे किसी ने बाई किया होता, ओके, नहीं ये लॉन्ग, मैंने शॉर्ट पोजीशन ओपन की क्या, ये क्या ओपन हुआ, ये मैंने देखा भी नहीं है एक्चुअली। हाँ ये लॉन्ग पोजीशन, ये रही मेरी लॉन्ग पोजीशन। और फिर ये देखो, ये हो गया मेरा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड 1:4 वाला। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो कि 1:4 यहाँ पे अचीव हुआ था, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक डब्ल्यू पैटर्न बना है, देख सकते हो क्या आप लोग? ये डब्ल्यू वाला पैटर्न, ये पैटर्न बनता है तो यूजुअली प्राइस के नीचे जाने के चांसेस बहुत बनते हैं। तो ये डबल बॉटम जो पैटर्न होता है ना, ये हमेशा आपको ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए। सॉरी, डब्ल्यू बनता है तो सॉरी प्राइस ऊपर जाएगा, एम बनता है तो यूजुअली नीचे आएगा। तो ये डब्ल्यू बनते हुए नजर आया, थोड़ा सा प्राइस ऊपर गया, पर अभी देखो ये डब्ल्यू बना था, पर अब यहाँ पे एम बनता हुआ नजर आ रहा है मुझे। कुछ अजीब सा सिनारियो, लेकिन जब तक ये प्रॉपर कोई फॉर्मेशन नहीं होती है तो यहाँ पर ट्रेड लेना थोड़ा रिस्की हो सकता है। तो यहाँ पर देखो आपने अगर ये मिस आउट भी किया तो सेम पॉइंट पे अगर आपने फिर से नेक्स्ट वाली एंट्री बनाई भी होती तो हाफ वे थ्रू तो आपका ऑलमोस्ट टारगेट यहाँ तक तो अचीव हो चुका था। या यहाँ देखोगे तो आप यहाँ पर भी अगर ये वाला मैं टारगेट सेट करती हूँ जो कि यहाँ है, तो ये बेसिकली 1.2.96 ऑलमोस्ट 1:3 वाला रेशियो था, 1:2 तो नहीं था। और अगर नीचे मैं इसकी बात करूं, नीचे तो नहीं, यहीं क्योंकि ये बिग इधर ही बन रही है ना, हाईएस्ट वाली नहीं, थोड़ा सा ऊपर करती हूँ, रिजेक्शन यहाँ हुआ है। तो ये रिजेक्शन जहाँ पे हुआ है, अगर इधर भी मैं अपना क्लोज मानूं तो ये 1:3.25 वाला टारगेट था। तो इस जगह पे आपने अपनी एंट्री मिस की, यहाँ पर आपने प्रॉफिट बना लिया। तो ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इजी है। लोग ज्यादा की इच्छा में, ज्यादा की ग्रीड में जाके गलतियां कर देते हैं, पैसे फंसा लेते हैं। अगर रोज रोज सिर्फ इतनी मूवमेंट भी कैप्चर करोगे ना, ट्रस्ट में आपने प्रॉफिट बनाना ही बनाना है। और जब इतनी देर स्क्रीन के सामने रह रहे हो यार, 1 घंटा 2 घंटे, उसमें तो आप कैसे भी प्रॉफिट बना लोगे। और कितना डिफिकल्ट है, ट्रस्ट मी। देर आर ओनली टू वेज। एक तो हो गया कि या तो आप अपना स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग करो, जहां पे बेसिकली या तो आप अपना खुद का पैसा इस्तेमाल करो, या फिर दूसरा है कि या आप लेवरेज का पैसा इस्तेमाल करो। लेवरेज में रिस्क बहुत बढ़ जाता है। अगर रिस्क आपको सूट करता है और आपको लेवरेज पोजीशंस लेने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है, तो लेवरेज पोजीशन भी आप ले सकते हो। ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है। कम आप मतलब देखो, आप पैसे तो दोनों साइड से आप लूज कर ही रहे हो, और वो आप ही के पैसे लूज हो रहे हैं। हालांकि लेवरेज लेकर भी आप अगर ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, तभी भी आप पैसे तो लूज कर रहे हो, या स्पॉट में आप अपना खुद का पैसा इस्तेमाल भी करके यूज कर रहे हो तो भी आप अपना पैसा लूज कर रहे हो। तो दोनों में कोई ऐसी प्रॉपर लॉजिकल रीजनिंग तो नहीं है कि क्यों आपको लेवरेज इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए या क्यों नहीं। बस फर्क यही है कि अगर छोटा ही अमाउंट है तो छोटे अमाउंट से भी द बेस्ट बेस्ट पार्ट इसके, छोटे अमाउंट से भी आप $3 के अमाउंट से भी आप अपना प्रॉफिट वो स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। और एट द सेम टाइम अगर आपने लेवरेज नहीं लिया हो तो स्पॉट में आप $3 से भी अपना ट्रेड ले सकते हो। तो कोई इसमें ऐसी खास बेनिफिशियल पॉइंट तो नहीं है, जहां तक मुझे फील होता है या नजर आता है। बट कोई लोगों को ये वाली ट्रेडिंग सही जमती है, कोई किसी को वो, तो आप आपको क्या सही जमता है वो आप अपने हिसाब से करोगे तो दैट दैट कैन वर्क आउट फॉर यू। तो ये सब होती है ट्रेडिंग के दुनिया में सारी चीजें। अगर आप लोग में से किसी को कुछ डाउट्स, कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन, कुछ क्वेश्चंस करना हो तो यू कैन आस्क मी। लेकिन गाइज, मैं अगेन अगेन आई एम गोइंग ऑन टेलिंग यू कि अगर आपने मुझसे कोई बाय या सेल सिग्नल लेना हो तो आपको you have to comply with the rules, and the rules are you have to deposit funds while I'm live, and then I will give you buy or sell signals. I can give you the signal even when I'm live, but the issue is कि आपको मेरे साथ फंड्स लाइक मैं जब लाइव हूं तभी आपको फंड्स डिपॉजिट करना पड़ेगा। इट्स लाइक देयर इज अ सेइंग ना, कि जैसे अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपके रिलेशनशिप को मेंटेन करूं, यानी आपके, तो आपको मुझे भी कुछ वो देना पड़ेगा। Tell me, guys. Tell me, how is it? Come on. आज मैं आप लोग को buy sell signals नहीं दूंगी. Nobody. I'm not giving any buy sell signals. Only when you guys are going to uh, comply with rules of the stream, then you get a buy or sell signal. New people, new joinees, new to the industry. Guys, please get onto the stream. There's so much on the stream that you can learn, and you can, make a lot of money. It's just that you need the right kind of direction. And for the direction, we are definitely there, and we can help you out for it. A lot of people, what they do as a mistake is के क्विक मूव्स को कैप्चर करने की कोशिश में या तो स्टॉप लॉसेस सेट कर लेते हैं, या फिर क्विक मूव्स को देखकर अट्रैक्ट होकर या तो फिर ट्रैप में आ जाते हैं. तो जब आप ये सारी चीजें समझ जाते हो कि मार्केट आपके साथ क्या करने की कोशिश कर रही है, तो you will not be facing any of these issues. अगर आपको जब मार्केट की समझ हो जाए ना, आप क्विक मूव्स को नहीं कैप्चर करेंगे, यू विल बी ओनली कैप्चरिंग द रियल मूव्स। अक्सर लोग यही गलतियां करते हैं। Tell me, how is it going, guys? मैं इथेरियम का बिग फुल टाइम चार्ट एनालाइज कर रही थी। काफी कुछ अच्छा मुझे देखने को मिला डे चार्ट और ये तो बेसिकली फ्यूचर्स का चार्ट है। इथेरियम का अगर हम क्रिप्टो चार्ट निकालें, जैसे ये रहा बाइनेंस पे, मैं इथेरियम का चार्ट निकालती हूँ बाइनेंस पे। ये वाला चार्ट मैं आप लोग को बता रही थी ना, ये वाले चार्ट पे प्राइस अभी किधर पहुंचा है देखते हैं। परसों जब हम एनालिसिस कर रहे थे, we were trying to understand where is it going, which direction. So still standing at 38454. वापस से रेजिस्टेंस पे छुएगा या वापस से सपोर्ट पे आ जाएगा, इधर आ जाएगा। ये इसने यहाँ पर बनाया था इसका सपोर्ट 3454 पे रिसेंट पास में इन द मंथ ऑफ। ये वाला वीक जो है ये अक्टूबर में बना था ना, 4th 11th अक्टूबर को बना था शायद। तो जैसा कि हमने 2025 का स्टैटिस्टिक्स निकाला था, हमने यहाँ से देखा था कि ये सारा का सारा जोन कवर हो चुका था। फिर we saw that whole of this like session, this whole thing got tested. Then we reached this zone. This zone also got tested. I think I should have put one more horizontal line even here, because this zone also got tested somewhere. अभी देखो हम लोग वापस से ये जोन को ही टेस्ट में है। अभी यहाँ जो इसने रिसेंट पास्ट में जो इसने इधर जो रेजिस्टेंस बनाया है 4984, ये जो रिसेंटली अभी देखना ये है कि ये वाले जोन को टेस्ट करके इधर कंप्लीटली नीचे को आ जाएगा, या फिर इसको सस्टेन कर लेता है तो फिर शायद ऊपर रहेगा ये, मतलब उसकी वैल्यूएशन वहीं टिक जाएगी। पर अगर इथेरियम को even though the price might be sitting somewhere here, there, wherever, if people are not ready to buy at those levels, not much demand is building up at this zone, हो सकता है कि फिर नीचे ही आ जाए completely, क्योंकि खरीदारी तो वहां पे कोई भी नहीं करेगा। हाँ, यहाँ से सेलिंग अभी भी सेलिंग ही काफी वो लग रही है। इतना पीक पे रीच हो चुका, तो वहां से जो सेलिंग आई तो अभी तक भी वही मोमेंटम बिल्डअप है। और वो मोमेंटम ऑलमोस्ट कितने महीने से चल रहा है देखो। अगर मैं ये बात करूं अगस्त जुलाई की, तो ये ऑलमोस्ट अभी अक्टूबर में आ गया है। तो पीक तो इसने बनाया था अगस्त में ही, सितंबर अक्टूबर, अभी 2 महीने गुजर गए। 2 महीने से सिर्फ ऑलमोस्ट लिक्विडेशन ही हो रहे हैं। इसने ये वाले रेजिस्टेंस सॉरी सपोर्ट जोन को भी टच किया, पर वहां पे टिका नहीं, वापस से उठा, वहीं से बाइंग फिर से चालू रही, उसी लेवल पे रहता गया, अभी यहाँ पर पहुंच गए। तो थोड़ा सा इथेरियम का वियर्ड मामला चल रहा है, बट Ethereum पे I kind of keep on telling all you guys to trade, or I tell you guys to participate is because of a lot of reasons actually, and you guys know it well कि मैं क्यों बोलती रहती हूँ, because of its real value that we are trying to talk about. Fundamental strong है इस project के, इस particular crypto के, और फिर ये crypto बहुत you know डिमांड में रहती है, यूटिलिटी अच्छी खासी है, कुछ ना कुछ मार्केट में हाइप में रहती है, कुछ ना कुछ चलते रहता है इसका बेसिकली ना। तो जो मार्केट में मतलब जो हाइप में मीडिया में अच्छा खासा रहता है ना, वो वाले क्रिप्टोज को पिक करना अच्छी चीज होती है। देखो जो मुझे लगता है अभी इन कमिंग फ्यू डेज, क्योंकि कोई अभी क्लैरिटी भी नहीं है मार्केट में, कुछ सिनारियो कुछ बन नहीं रहा है, कोई पॉजिटिव सिनारियो। मुझे लग रहा है कि ये जब तक कोई प्राइमरी पॉजिटिव कैटलिस्ट आ नहीं जाता है, तब तक मुझे लग रहा है कि ये मार्केट ना इज गोइंग टू मूव इन नेगेटिव ओनली। लाइक जब तक एक नया साल स्टार्ट नहीं होगा और वहां से फिर से एक नया मोमेंटम पिक नहीं होगा, तब तक ये ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा। गाइस आई एम रियली सॉरी, मेरा एक्चुअली अगेन सिस्टम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है। आई डोंट नो, आई समटाइम्स डोंट गेट टू नो दिस, व्हिच इज अ वेरी वियर्ड थिंग। हालांकि मैं लाइव होती हूँ, बट वो जो बैकएंड का जो सिस्टम है वो बार बार डिडक्ट हो सॉरी वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है। तो देखते हैं क्या हो। सॉरी अगर आप में से कोई मुझे मैसेजेस कर रहा हो या कोई मुझसे बात कर रहा हो ऑन द चैट रूम, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन फॉर अ सेकेंड, क्योंकि मेरा बैकएंड वाला जो सिस्टम है वो लॉग ऑफ हो चुका है। मैं आप लोग के कमेंट्स नहीं देख पा रही हूँ गाइस, डोंट। Yeah, sorry guys. Hi. 733. Sorry, 373361. Yes, my dear, 825556. Everybody is new here. A lot of people are new. Don't worry, we have you covered here. You're not alone in this. I'm going to help you at every step. Don't worry, we are there with you. Don't panic, don't overdo things, don't go crazy about anything. Everything is happening just in time. Don't worry, don't worry. I have you guys here, so. So what's up, guys? What else? Why is nobody live right now? Why is that I cannot see anybody live? वीकेंड है तो वीकेंड की पार्टीज पर गए हो क्या? क्या करने गए हो? कौन किधर किधर हो सब लोग? तो अगर आप में से किसी के कोई स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, एज इन लाइक यू गाइस वांट मी टू you know, trade in some other crypto, some other crypto also, you can let me know. But make sure that you guys share the feedbacks, guys. Like, I know I keep analyzing Ethereum, but if you have any personal requirements too, you can let me know, and we can do the analysis ourselves and try to figure out something. Ultimate goal is that you guys make money, and ultimate goal is to see that where are we able to find that position. Guys, I'm going to not like, when now going forward, the session is going to change a little in terms of how we proceed with the live session. Previously, I also used to give you guys live trades and everything, and unfortunately, I can see that none of you are valuing those signals and you guys are taking it so easily. Please go back and refer to my previous streams. You'll realize that I have pointed out on such beautiful setups where earning even 50 to $100 in one setup was not at all a difficult task. And you guys have missed out on such kind of beautiful opportunities. Go back to some of the streams and you'll find it over there. So what I want you guys to do is, when you come live, I want you to deposit funds when I am live, because the rule of the session is you have to comply with the rules, and which is you have to deposit funds. You have to get in touch with me either offline or even when I am live. No worries on that. And only with those people who are complying with the rules and depositing funds while I'm live, I'm going to share the buy or sell signals. I can understand some of you are just starting out. Some of you are coming here for guidance, which is okay. You can take the guidance, no worries. I will guide you at every step. Even if you don't want to take buy sell signal, which is okay, you can take the guidance, do your own research, and pick your trades on your own. There's no hard and fast rule. But in case, I know there will be always people who want some kind of spoon feeding also, एंड आई एम रेडी टू डू इट, ट्रस्ट मी, क्योंकि ये आप लोग का शुरुआत है, ये सब आप लोग अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, तो मुझे हैंड होल्ड करने आपका कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि आई कैन टोटली रिलेट टू यू. एट सम पॉइंट इन टाइम इवन आई वाज अ बिगनर एंड आई माई सेल्फ हैड माई ओन फियर्स व्हेन आई वाज स्टार्टिंग आउट. बट ट्रस्ट मी, वो फियर एक बार आपके दिमाग से निकल जाएगा, एक बार या दो बार लॉसेस पड़ेंगे, उसके बाद आपके पास से दिमाग से वो फियर निकल जाएगा ना, उसके बाद आप इतनी परवाह नहीं करोगे पैसों की. फिर आप सोचोगे यार मैं तो कमा लूंगा, ओके लॉस ही तो हुआ है ना, ठीक है, एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड तो नहीं है, फिर कमा लूंगा करके. तो ये रहेगा आपका एटीट्यूड. बट एक बार यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी. डू दैट, see the difference, and then you can tell me. uh, Follow the rules as I told you. Okay, you have to comply with certain things which I'm asking you to do, and then we can. So do I have any depositors, guys, come on. Do I have any depositors here who are going to deposit and make yourself and myself happy and start trading with me? What do you want to do, guys? Come on, tell me. Any depositors here? Come on, guys, I'm still with you. I'm ready to even handhold you at every step, but unfortunately I'm not getting your support, guys. This is very very bad. Can I get some clarity? Can I get some supporters? So do I have any depositors out here who is looking for buy sell signals and who's looking for some support? Guys, come on. No other platform is able to give you this kind of assistance. I'm sure nobody is doing this kind of spoon feeding as well. So इतना गाइडेंस और इतना ज्यादा आपको सपोर्ट मिल रहा है at every minute. तो and if you're not still utilizing, that's a very sad story. That's a very sad thing. So please, I want you guys के इस प्लेटफॉर्म को जितना ज्यादा आप अपनी बेनिफिट के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, डू इट बिकॉज any questions for me, guys? Come on. So, guys, do you need any assistance in terms of getting any live trades? Do let me know and I can help you out, guide you in terms of making your trading journey easy, step by step guidance in terms of uh, where to begin, how to take leverage positions, things like that. All those things can be guided step by step. So please let me know what you want to do. Good evening, good evening, good evening, 825246. Guys, do you need any kind of assistance on spot futures trading? Do let me know, please. Guys, anybody looking for assistance and help in terms of spot and futures trading? I'm here to guide you and I'm here to So guys, we have one more hour of session. Tell me you're here. Tell me you want help. Tell me. If you guys need any help in terms of taking a trade and you need my assistance or anything, please feel free to reach out to me. All you have to do is deposit funds on the chat when I am live. And you're doing this deposit to your own account, not to my account. So don't worry, you're not putting it in my account, you're putting it in your account only. And then I will basically help you in terms of taking a trade. Come on, guys, be a sport. Come on. Guys, India, Eritrea, Indonesia. What else? Like, what else? Come on, guys, tell me if you need any kind of assistance in terms of guidance on how to take trade and everything. I'm anyways doing it live on the channel. But you need any buy or sell signals and you want me to support you by hand holding you, then you need to deposit funds while I'm live into your account, not into my account, into your accounts, and then you can take a trade alongside when I say you to buy and sell. So Tell me, guys, are you in with me? Are you following me? I hope whatever we discuss. So I'll be taking a small 5 to 10 minutes of break here. Let's continue talking about markets and everything after a small 5 to 10 minutes of break, and then we will see. If you guys are not going to comply with the rules are simple. You have to deposit funds into your account if you want to be part of these trades. If you want to basically trade successfully, you have to comply with the rules. Oh, I'm so sorry. Guys, I'm so sorry, so sorry, so sorry. Sometimes I'm like on the mute and I'm really, really sorry. Hold on for a second. I was just trying to invite my. So, guys, if you want to participate in these sessions, get some free guidance on trading, like on spot and futures, and you need some kind of help and some hand holding, then this session is for you. You guys can join me live on the application zbit.com, or you can also join me on YouTube. The link is in the bio or on the picture that you're seeing on the video. Do join me there and I will give you the live signals, buy and sell. The rules of the game, the rules of the session is you need to comply with the session. You need to deposit funds while I'm live into your account itself, not into mine, and then I will give you some buy sell signals both online and offline, and you can take trades along with me. So if you want to stand the chance to win some free giveaways or buy sell signals, join these sessions and be part of these sessions. I'm also inviting some of my community, some of the people from outside. Guys, yes, I'm so sorry, guys. Sometimes I'm like, I go on a break and I put basically some kind of like I put it on mute sometimes. I'm so sorry, Draco. I know, my like, account was like on mute actually. And then I was trying to send some invitations on some of them social media platforms, trying to invite the people from different platforms to join the session. Guys, these sessions are not just for fun time or something. Here you get to learn everything about spot and futures trading. So if you want to learn everything from basics to advanced, you have to come here. I will help you out in terms of explaining you every damn thing. And then if you need me to even guide you to take some successful trades, I can do that. So please support me by supporting this channel, as well as coming to the live application. Click on the deposit button on the live application, and you can start trading with me. I'm not saying you have to deposit funds in my account, so this is not a scam account or something. Don't worry, you're depositing funds into your account only, and then you will basically join the session. And I will share the buy and sell signals online, offline, in my Telegram community. Wherever you want me to send you buy sell signals, you can do so. So come on, guys, can I get some thumbs ups? Can I get some love? Can I get some support? Can I get some deposits coming my way so that I can help you in terms of achieving your goals? Together we will achieve the goals. Tell me, are you with me? Draco, I'm so sorry. Sometimes I'm like looking at other screens and doing other things. So I might miss out on answering to you. So I am extremely sorry, guys. Sometimes I miss out. Tell me, guys, tell me. Guys, last 15 minutes and the time is very limited. If you are not taking advantage of this particular day, if you're not taking advantage of this last 15 minutes that we have and you're not going to deposit funds while I'm live, you are missing out on total fun and good element. I have so many good examples of it, people trading and making lots of money. I don't want you guys to just miss out on some of the very great moves here and not make money. Don't let your day go just like that. I want you guys to come join me, join the sessions every day. It's happening every day so that we can make money together. Trust me, there will be days where there will be losses that's happening, where uh, there'll be profits, there'll be losses, everything will be part of it. But you guys have to understand that there will be good and bad times. So learn to recover from the losses and make a lot of money still. That is how it has to be. So please join the session. I'm going to help you out in every which way. Come on, come on, come on, come on, guys, come on. Last 15 minutes. Who is with me? Who is with me? Who is with me? Are we receiving any deposits? Are we getting any responses? Anyone here? Guys, अरे यार इससे ज्यादा और क्या इजी बनाऊं आप लोग के लिए? What else can I do for you guys? Tell me. I'm making it so easy for you guys, and you don't want to take the advantage of it. What is this, guys? Last 10 minutes, guys. Still, you have the opportunity to basically utilize this for yourself. If you want me to give you buy sell signals, you have to comply with the rules here. I will explain you everything, every bit of it, from spot to futures trading, every terminology out here, and you will be able to trade. Guys, even if you don't take my, buy sell signals, I'm telling you the guidance is going to definitely help you out. So tell me, are you with me? Are you with me? Unfortunately, with 100 rupees or $1, you guys are not going to, you will not be able to take a trade. But you want to, like right now on the Zbit platform, we don't have, what do you call? We don't have, you can only leverage. Hold on for a second. So with that, we are going to come to an end. I don't know if you guys are really planning to do some serious trades with me or not, but I see that you guys are definitely not adhering to the rules and regulations out here. Welcome everybody. 42686. Welcome to the stream, guys. Why do you disappear? Am I some kind of ghost or something? I don't know. You guys just disappear for no reason. Last 5 minutes of the session, guys. You still have the chance to win some free giveaways as well as free signals from my end. All you have to do is comply with the rules, which is basically come to my live through the application, download the ZBit app, register yourself, KYC yourself, deposit funds into your account, not in my account, your account, and send me a message even in either in Telegram community, or send me a message on either on Telegram or live with me, and I will show you how to trade, how to take a buy, how to take a sell. I will help you, guide you, give you a signal when to buy, when to sell. Or if you have any specific requirements, do let me know, guys. I will definitely help you in terms of what you are particularly looking for. All right. So with that, we are going to end the session in next 4 minutes. Am I getting some deposits? Indonesia, India, Eritrea, Bangladesh. What else? How many countries do we have here? There is new country which I saw. Nigeria. Nigeria was anyways part of our streams, which is good. I see a new country that is being added today. Some newcomers. Eritrea. I think that's also part of Africa, if I'm not wrong. Indonesia was anyways part of our sessions. India, Bangladesh. Who else? Who else? Who else? Pakistan, UAE. Wow, guys, look at this. Such a beautiful merge, right? Eritrea is a South Asian. I think it's a It's part of Africa again. Uh, I think Eritrea, you guys have a currency which is called as NACFA, if I'm not wrong, 100 cents. NACFA. And Indonesia, your currency is IDR, which is Indonesian rupiah is what is your currency. Let me see what's the exchange rate for you guys. How are you guys able to Eritrea, NACFA, and IDR to so many countries are joining us, which is a very good thing, right? So Indonesia, Eritrea, Bangladesh. In fact, I saw Pakistan, I saw UAE, I saw Nigeria. So many people like from across the globe. So Eritrea, NACFA, your currency like roughly 15 ERN is making $1, which is okay. And one Indonesian rupee or rupiah is what you call it. So, oh my God, your 16,600 Indonesian rupees is making roughly $1. Wow, that's a lot of money. If I see from your point of view, it's a lot of money. 16,600. Imagine our Indian currency is just about how much? 87 rupees is what makes $1. So, hi, my God, look at that. 16,600 guys. Can you believe that Indonesian region is also part of our part of our platform. So that's beautiful. That's great. I'm really surprised and I'm really happy also. So we have Eritrea NACFA, which is ERN. That is roughly about 15 ERNs are making like $1, and Indonesian rupees is IDR like 16,600 is making about $1. Lot of money, right? Lot of money. So that's why trade safely, guys. Trade safely. Trade every penny safely, because it's after all your hard-earned money. So all the lovely people joining in from India, UAE, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Eritrea. What did I miss? Indonesia, I think. What did I miss out on anything? I don't know. So use the deposit button as much as you can. Come on, you have to support me. If you want me to support you, you have to support me, and the support can only come through you guys depositing funds in your account, not in my account, your account, so that you can take a trade with me. I will send you the buy and sell signals online, offline. When I'm live, I will send you the signals. You can take trades. And even if you still don't have faith, you are still starting out, still not so confident, follow the guidance here until unless you become very confident about what you're doing, and then take some successful trades, guys. So with that note and with that thing, I want to tell you that everything which we discuss are all for informational purposes. We do not encourage any kind of you know like force or anything in order to take a trade. We basically try to educate you guys. We want you to also do some kind of analysis or research behind it so that you can take successful trades. I want you guys to be educated and then you take trades. That's why you know it'll make a lot of difference. So I hope I'm going to see some more successful deposits coming my way tomorrow when I join you guys at 4 to 8 p.m. Dubai time. And then we'll continue to have a lot more buy sell, trades that are going to come our way. So if you support me, I'm going to support you too. So learn trading, learn every basic step here, and then you can trade along with us. I will see you guys. This is Nida Freen signing off from Zbit. We will continue tomorrow and we will talk many more things